Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Are the wickedest spice now? Pimento good enough. All the other spice are good, but that ginger will work with right here now.
God-fearing people.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Bombard, but your people are jumping from one platform to the
Hey, shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of it and bad mind, it can't stop in a revival time.
Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord. Everybody!
I Mixup An Blenda time.
Wagwan peeps, this jump. Somebody jump in right away. Somebody jump in right away. I this, I go see wagwan. Big up all of our belly full. Big up all of white squall, clot up the nastiness. Right, you know one thing. Hold it.
Raga,
Yeah, wagwan.
me have to tell you something I love you.
You love me?
Yeah, me I love picture up my dresser with you.
You
When I
lying,
come to
man.
New York, yeah.
No, man, you too lie, man. Make you lie, so.
Me not tell no lie, Raga.
Yeah, picture up on the dresser with me. So when the gentleman see the picture, when he say,
But I was not in New York at the moment, but he was there. And when I saw the picture with you and him together,
no, hold on. So I me and you in a picture.
no, you are my man in a picture. You see that?
Hold on. No, it think mix up already, right? Me like that call you. Them call you for start the show.
Raga.
Wait, man, me ask you something, man. Me and your man in a one picture upon theme dresser.
Yeah, but are you me love?
Well, I know, man.
Raga.
First of all, me know a joke you're making, but don't
No,
joke with...
Mr.
What?
Turn on the camera. Turn on the camera. Wait. Turn on camera. Yeah, me turn on camera.
Yeah.
Turn it around. Wait, me no ask me.
Alright. Yeah, can make sure so we not see what we not see what we not see, you know?
Yeah, the man that. Only they are New York.
No, me not see it, you know. You think it on, but you not turn on your camera.
See it there.
No, me I tell you say your thing no come on, man.
Wait, alright. No, me no. Me turn on the camera, man.
No, man, you have to know if it turn on, you know.
Alright, me forget the angle of that. But anyway, Raga.
Yeah, alright then. Cool.
Yo, on the day I want to sit in a keep in New York. I've never been to New York, but I've been to Atlanta, Texas, everywhere else. But
okay.
Him go at some sitting with keep New York where uno a party are sitting in a daytime at New York. Have you know what I'm talking about?
Now, I've hosted a lot of parties, darling, over the years, like probably thousands.
And he say you and him, and he take a picture. And
it was a daytime. Was a soca party up at Bronx, up at Mount Vernon?
No. Jesus, way up there, so in a New York, in the near to the pier. All right. Anyway, Raga.
Yeah. Go on.
So, in here, I the picture. You have the picture put up on the dresser, you know. And me say, told me love Raga. Me I listen to Raga on radio. Over the years, and sitting. Yes, but I'm a man, but me say me love Raga differently.
Yeah.
Sitting. So me have a picture. I blew up the picture, you know, Raga.
You blew up it. You get the picture.
And him missy come home with the picture and show me picture.
But oh, you get it for blow it up.
You're not listening.
Oh,
He
sorry.
bought
Yeah.
picture from New York
Yeah.
in a paper thing. In a blow
Oh.
paper thing. Like, you know, you would get one little paper, but it big. It's by, well, that I know what. That look like 6x4.
Yeah.
And me put the, you know, plastic, what do you call it, plastic sitting we put over there?
Yeah, that little, yeah, and a frame but the plastic one.
Yeah.
So somebody soon
I
put
have it on the
night.
dresser. And me I tell us, Raga, all this man I listen to you. Me I listen to you. Me I say, boy, I love Raga bad, you know. Yeah, me love Raga bad. And one day, man, I go say, oh, it sound like you love Raga more than me.
You see what me I tell you? No?
Me say, Raga.
You see what me I tell you? Lord
When the man
Jesus.
says so,
Eh?
when the man says so, me say, no man behaves.
No, yeah, you can. Yeah.
Raga is just sexy and he just start one bag of, Raga have one bag of mix up and all these things. And me just love listen to Raga. That's
Right.
the man say, no, it sound like you want to fuck Raga.
Oh, well, yeah, I have a misunderstanding because I never did say you because you wanna do that with me. You wanna do that with me.
Yeah.
Right? Right?
No.
No, you wanna do that with me.
Would I do it with you?
No, you wouldn't, right?
Yes, would I do it with you?
Oh, for real?
Yeah, me watch your video there. Me I see you when you're in a cool and you talk about shovel snow and all. Raga, me follow you, you know?
Oh, okay. All right. But yeah, we're going. When you have a man and you know, it's okay if you have a man, but you have somebody.
Fear with Raga.
You have a what?
And a fear with you. Mental.
Oh, okay. Mental, yeah. So what I say, we know it's an imaginary thing and it's fun and thing, but you have to be careful so you not hear them something. They can't man not do too well with them something. You know, yeah?
But thank God that me and you alone I talk no on the phone.
Yeah. Well, when you say me and you alone I talk on the phone, what you mean? Like,
you know the home.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you know what, men not really do too well with them something there, you know. So you know what, anything go run round him and all them thing they feel away. And when you're there with him, him treat you good?
Yeah, man, he treat me good, but me just like you just have a niceness, boy, Raga.
No, what I'm saying now.
Your lips them look pink.
No, you with me and say no, man. You know how you with me and said. You with me and said, no, you can't watch your look Raga and get your look of fun and enjoyment. But you see, when you have a good man and you see, men, the most important thing to man in the end, you know, key what they tell us is respect, yeah?
Yeah, that's true.
You know that's something there, yeah. So you know want him go feel any way say he's being disrespected, you know. Worse
I mean, not go to that.
Yeah, you know, but what I'm saying is you might end up doing it and don't even realize you're doing it, you know.
That is true.
All right. Yeah, so you have to be careful. So nobody to go on away. Nobody to go on away with you know about Raga or whatever film go start. So but you take this thing so far and start feel away. Cause all the year man run up the mountain and go on like them wicked, you know. Man fragile too, you know, when it come to them woman, you know, fragile. You understand? And then can't manage certain things. And then go on like them wicked and all these things and whatever. All right, yeah, woman. Don't you know exactly what to tell man for mash up them head and make them turn idiot? Tell me, am I wrong or am I right?
You're right, but more time me will say to him, say, you know, say Raga just sexy. I what they me saying here, Tam. Now the car and you talk about the coal. I mean, I say, you know, say Raga cute. I mean, I watch one of your video them. Because you say mash up in your head.
No, not telling them something. And I said them so. First of all, me not cute. But when me I say no, cute not go with me. Chris Cross cute. Chris Cross a cute boy. My little brother a cute boy. Him cute. Jimmy cute. Right? Big nose, big head, Raga not cute. But Raga good, you know. But what me I say? No, big and serious though. No,
you're cute, Raga.
do not be telling your man, boy.
See there, see them telling I say you're cute, Raga.
No, don't look on that. No look on that. I trouble them I make over there and things like that. These are the same people who cuss one another and tell them say them bed look better than them face. And no, but you and me I say no, so yeah, go make sure. Not telling them something. Men not do well. I run him a test you and I say, you don't know, that's a NASA. That's just entertainment. I watch Raga. You know, say Raga don't go and you have no sense. You know, I saw you for bounty. Why? Do that for me.
All right, me go try that.
All right, do that for me. All right, yeah, man. Respect, man. Give him some respect. For me, worse if him treat you good and all them thing there. But I'm bounce it up and wine it off and edge it off on him and all them something there and make it, you know.
I love wine on the body head.
You love wine on the body. You know if you do it though. Some don't know if you love talk, but you know if you do it good.
Yeah, you know if wine on body head.
Well, and I bet you say you one of them a wine on the head and keep it straight. So don't.
Me a bubble and go down and
well, what you mean? You bubble down pan it and come up on it and thing?
Yeah. And
you know if you lean it and strain it a little bit and make it tense up a little bit so it get more sensitive. You know that's something that?
Me choke only.
No, one line they do. But if you go do that choke something that with your good, that means you're good. If it's tight and strong and you have control over it.
Muscle grip.
Man, I just run off your motor, you know, skill like that.
Hold man body, just when you're on a pee or no holy pee, let it go. Holy pee, let it go.
And train it, don't. And train it.
Yeah,
well, man. Now, when you say that, the ladies have to do and train it. Now, when I'm a pee, them to stop it and let it go. Stop it, pee. But you know, sometimes when we run woman, we hear them a pee and we hear them look a stop it thing. That them a do down. Them a practice.
Muscle train.
Yes, man.
So when you go for the body now, you just clampy. Let it go. Clampy. And if you shut your ear, shut it up.
What do what I want to go what?
Yeah, you shut your ear.
You shut your ear. And clampy and release, you know. Squeeze and release. Clamp and release. So when you say that mash up boy, you don't.
You ain't talking a gypsy.
Gypsy bomb. Wait, voila. You really good like that, Petro?
We're gonna say, may I have to go meet in a real life? May I have visa? I can call link you.
Murder! No, sir! Yo! No!
I Mixup and Blenda time.
So when you say you forward up here, make a look at one link, you know? But you have to hide and screech and make nobody know. Say, yeah, come on, just kind of link me one and we. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. But we have to wait for the snow to melt.
You have to wait for the snow for me.
We can't go there the whole time.
No, man, don't worry about that, man. Then if I Raga you look for me, I never make you cold. When me don't make you hot and warm and thing, that me fit tell you here, put your body in some heat.
You're going to make you hot.
No, wait, so you're going like say you're going like a sure so you can manage me, so.
Raga.
Raga. What? Me ask you a question. Me say, you're going like say you're 100 so you can manage me and shell me out, so.
Me can shell you like peanut.
You really good like that, Rachel?
Yeah. Raga. Me go to school Farrin.
Boom. You start to turn up? You start to wicked down?
Yeah.
What your favorite? Nice. What?
Smell nice, grip good, everything.
Jeez, grip good, smell nice. So tell me something, what your favorite position?
Backers,
okay. All right, explain your favorite position in a backers. When you do a backers, or your back shape and all them so.
I'm back tattoo, first of all.
No, but me I say, your back position.
Me like put me two knee up on the bed. You stand up.
Oh, okay. So the man I stand up on the side of the bed.
Yeah, the man a
Are
stand up
you?
on the bed.
Yeah, are you up on the edge of the bed? You like that something they don't?
Yeah, yeah.
So wait, you keep your head up or you keep your head down?
It can. So my time to a nice. Me all go down up.
I think your son are calling.
Yeah. Me have to
Yeah,
go run it so. Time
yeah,
just.
yeah. I think he really needs you. Like there's some urgency there.
You ain't awful.
I would take you so long. Yeah, no man, he sound firm, man. He sound firm, man. Yeah.
Alright, Raga, me gotta let you again.
Yeah, man, handle your business. Here, boo boo. Okay, cool.
Alright.
Yeah, man, cool. She got things to do. She got things to do. She got things to do. Ladies, listen to me. When me I walk by the road, I don't want no man. Me know when a man gonna lick me down with a two before me and say, oh, Mr. Sir, I don't even know you what me do you and whatever. Me no want that, you know. You understand me? I say. So, you have to protect me, man, and me will protect you. You see what I say? So, if you have a gentleman and thing, you have to treat you a gentleman, good man, and you know, and about I do nothing for him go feel disrespect and thing and whatever and something. Yeah, I just want to big up the people them over YouTube and thing, big up on yourself. Juanita, you forward. Yes, Juanita, big up yourself, you know. I don't know, you know, Juanita. I don't know, you know, strong body, Juanita. Big up yourself. YouTube people, big up on yourself and thing. TikTok family, large up, everything is everything. And I know the levels and thing. See? Man, I just saw it. Anytime I do this, I get this sniffles. It's like allergies and thing and whatever. All right, big up on yourself and thing. But I have something to say. Let me take one more link before I say what I have to say. I'm so excited about this thing. Wait there, good evening.
Good evening, Raga. How are you doing?
What's up, Kay? How you doing, sweetie?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good, man. I've been enjoying listening to you. Not long with that young lady who had to go, and she
Oh,
seems like she's qualified inside of the bedroom, and she's knowing what she's on about.
you think that she's credible or it's not just talk?
Yeah,
What if
yeah,
it's
she's
just
definitely she has a degree in that job. She does.
oh, so you get a sense that she really good
Yeah,
like
she
that for
does. She
true.
does. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
What make you never conclude? Say, you know, she attack and she not good like that. Why
I
you never
mean,
conclude?
I know some women just run them out and stuff, but she sound like she knows what she's on about that pillow talking and that back shots and the way she position herself and that sort of stuff.
Yeah,
Seem
we
like
never really get in that position doing it because enough time you women talk about backers and when you ask them to explain the position, a some weak position them a talk about, they don't know nothing yet, you know? But we never really
right.
get to reach a point there for find out what is what. Because you know, some of them go like them wicked, you know. I don't know if you ever hear about Munchie over here and Delmarine and them people. They go like them wicked, you know, and they don't know one fact, you know.
I know sometimes women just talk. I know that, and when you put them to work, they're full of
Put them
fat.
to work.
They
One name
ball
Christina. One name over here named Christina. And when she catching her portal and whatever, she is of no use. Yeah.
how you know? How you know?
What?
How you know?
No, man, I'm a sister that, man. I'm like, me look at charge of that. So me and I know.
so you know.
Mouth say.
Yeah. So you know, she just full of mouth.
Yeah, mouth say, mouth contact back, you know, say she flap and all them something there. Yeah, next one over your name. Yeah, she talk about the woman them who pee and stop and pee and stop.
Yeah.
They you know say one over your name Navlet. Every year we have one.
I heard you talk about Navlet.
You know about Navlet. All right.
Yeah.
Every year we have a TamFam get together. Well, and every year we have a TamFam get together in Orlando and thing, you know. Next year we think we're gonna go Atlanta. But thus far the past several years is Orlando. And then one year when she did, I think it was the first year when she come down then. she used a bathroom on the ground floor, and we heard that intermittent peeing from her. So clearly, Navlet did in the exercise the vaginal muscles and thing like that. Cause we hear her, we hear her people stop and go, stop and go, stop and go, stop and go, you know? And thing, Navlet, Navlet. So what going with you? What going with you?
I go to know me just come in for work and stuff like that.
You
12
see,
o'clock here, UK time.
what time you go work at morning time?
No, me do 12 to 12.
Wow.
But
12 hours straight.
You got to do what you got to do.
Are you a nurse?
No,
Are you
no, I
working at
work in
home?
a distribution. I work in a distribution factory. 23 years now. Yeah.
How long now? How long now?
23.
Wow.
Yeah. So you got to do what you got to do.
Right.
It's multitasking, picking, packing, forklifting, and all sorts of different stuff.
Hold up. You not drive the forklift though?
Once you work now, we host everybody's trained. You have to.
Oh, so you have that little flexibility there, boy.
You have to.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's over 200 colleagues, and sometimes people go on holiday certain time of the year, and you have to cover shifts. So different departments. So we do multitask of everything. So you have
All right, then blessings, my respect. But listen, I never announced it yet, but since today, I make you know. We're going to have a thing. Sunday, we want people roll out with them Sunday dinner and post it over big yard, right? And we're going to say, woofer food, turn up. So you're going to cook this Sunday or you're going to go work?
But me have to cook. Me have to cook. I will cook on Sunday. I'm off on Sundays. Yeah.
All right. You have to go post your meal over big yard too. You ever want to see your
me
meal?
don't play when it come to food, I don't play when it come to food.
You know, much people me hear say that time when you look on them food, they look chaka. They look chaka and chamba.
I hear you, and I believe you me, I know too. And I'm not no bragger, I'm telling you, I'm not a bragging person. But believe you me, in my household as a child, you had to learn to cook. You had to put it down. In other words, I'm going to say it like this.
Big Bear learn to cook. And when Big Bear come here and throw it, I'm proud, throw him chicken and thing. Nothing against the disabled people, but him sure we are disabled chicken when I foot they never too right and whatever, you understand? You understand? And he was confident and thing, right? And then as a disabled chicken, we look upon and thing. So we are going with the evidence. So you can't say what you want. So we need, when we see your food Sunday, when we see your food Sunday, we know what we want.
I get you, I'm feeling you. Say less, man. I got you.
All right.
So Sunday what time?
Sunday, we want the food and post by say 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. By 3 o'clock, we want the food and post.
All right, okay. I got you, brother. I got you.
So remember, you're going to post it over big yard now,
Oh, yeah, man.
All right, then. Cool. Blessings, man. So, well, and one last question. I don't want you to think I'm being rude,
No. Ask me anything you like.
When you go work, you beard before you go work, and then when you come home, you beard again. How was sweet? Yeah, what's sweet? Yeah, that one. What you? No, kid, that one that knock your funny board, man. That one that knock your funny board.
You know why me laugh so? Because over here in UK, brother, people don't love beard, Brother, let me tell you something.
When you say in the UK, people don't love beard?
They don't love beard. Brother man, let me tell you something, right? Before me work my first job, me work with an agency, right? In our bakery. Night shift again, right? One night, right? Me got some repairs done for me house. So you had the workmen in the daytime. And one of the bathroom pipe them me have to wait till the next day to get the thing, right? So what happened? I had a downstairs bathroom toilet, but no shower down there. Upstairs the shower be. So me calling my workplace. Now me know if we take bucket and do me sardine bath. Me know that, but me say me not go work. Why can me call in and work now? Me tell him me can't come and work tonight.
Because you couldn't
Brother.
be it?
But yeah, I mean, I want to go like that. Half beard, me want me full. You know, when me go back them, when me go back and work the next night, but every man vexing me. You know what somebody say? Oh, I almost didn't come to work tonight because my TV not working. How
Yeah,
you try diss me because that me say I couldn't work because my shower wasn't working. For me to have a shower.
And
And
you're
it
not
come
touch
in
road
and
and you're not beard. Yeah.
Me say I wonder where them people think me come from, boy. The
Them
man come
out
tell me,
of
oh, well, there's a shower here in our workplace. You could, me not go in a shower with everybody. Me not even know who them be. I wash up and make and wash my skin. One Caribbean woman like me? No,
Right.
man.
And when you say sardine bar, you mean like tight, you know, like tight, right?
You get your little bucket and you get your your soap and you wash up yourself. You know, like when water because
No, yeah, it's just that some people say sardine, the first thing them think about is smell, but me just want me protect you.
Yeah, I understand why you but then call because you know the bucket small, right? So they call the bucket sardine sardine.
Yeah, exactly. That is what I get and think. So drunk people, dirty people who want to beat the woman because she says sardine now not think smell. Wanna move from here and go along Kia. Leave
It's
Kia.
not like
Kia
that.
is my friend. Kia, I'm a friend. I mean, I want
It's not like that. It's not like that. It's not like that.
Come this Kia.
Yeah,
Kia, I got your back, boo. I got your back.
I got you too, brother. Someone understand, man. I come from a mighty long way, man. So someone understand that. No, man, I have to be it twice a day, brother.
Oh, you mean? Make them know. You are munching in the same boat.
How could you not be it, boy?
You are munching in the same boat, right?
Well, me have to be it. Trust me. It's a must. It's a must, brother. It's a must.
Munchie say as far as she concerned is 6 days in the week. When we ask her why, she said she can't go with the 7 because she be it every 3 days and she need to catch it even. So she 6 days every 3 days. Munchie.
Maybe that the puss might get cool.
Oh, with Munchie?
Yeah.
Yeah, talk to her for me. She in a chat and listen. She said 2 days a week she be. Yeah,
Miss
2 days a
Munchie,
week
good
she
night.
be. Yeah, talk to her. Yeah.
Miss Munchie?
She hear you, man. Yeah, she hear you.
All
yeah,
right.
Yeah, talk to her.
I mean, bedding is a must, man. You have to wash your arms, your hole and all, your ass and all this kind of thing because
Right.
men no like stinking women, you know.
Wait, shall listen, go and talk. Shall listen, go and talk. Yeah.
Men no like stinking woman, you have to wash it. And for me, I have to wash. Hygiene is a must, man.
Munchie, listen. Tech talking, tech telling.
Where she come from? Where she come from? She an island girl?
Jamaica she come from, but
well, of course, she only pulling your leg then, man. Jamaican people beard. They beard.
Oh, no,
Jamaican,
she no beard.
She beard, man. She just pull your leg.
No, when she just come a Farrin, she never beard for a while, and people ask her why, and she said, well, she not Jamaica. And people ask her why, and she said, well, she not Jamaica, a beard river, she beard in us, and she come to New York, she not seen a river, so she said she not beard, and them have to work her, you know.
All right.
Yeah, and I saw she come around a little bit and start get a 3 to 3, you know.
All right. Well, you see, when you're not accustomed to nothing, you have to get adjusted.
Yeah. And she not like cold water too, you know.
Oh, you not like cold water?
She not like cold water too.
Well, that means when it cold, when the snow come down in a beard, what?
Nah, beard, and thing. But we are work with her. We are try with her.
Yeah. You're this the girl, man. She go mash you up, no? She go mash you up, boy.
What? And I'm all light to say.
You're this the girl, Raga.
All right. Well, big up yourself, Kia. Big up yourself.
Yeah,
Kia,
man,
we're looking
man.
forward to see a Sunday dinner over
man.
Big Yard. Okay? We're looking forward to see this Sunday. A big something once in the meal. Let me come out. All right, then. Big up yourself here.
Enough love, man. Take care, everybody.
Kia. Yeah, man. Protection, Kia. Okay, cool. check in there and thing and whatever and I give time. People big and serious this Sunday is like a big the first thing we're gonna do over Big Yard. The first thing we're gonna do over Big Yard this Sunday, right? We want to post on a Sunday meal we're gonna cook. We're going to depend upon if you tell the truth, says, cook it. Don't do like that, Marina, make your relative cook it and then. Good afternoon, caller who call in from over YouTube. Wagwan.
Hey, Wagwan.
Me there, man. Wagwan with you.
But me, yes, man, respect for the taking the car for a long time. I don't get to chat to you, because I have to listen to your rerun.
Yeah.
Because you're on the TikTok, but me glad to you come over YouTube. But before me go, me want you remind me back at the Big Yard, the spelling, because me did going in about me no member, so me I try logging back last night.
All right, listen now. You have different ways to go in, but I see a place to go. But the easiest way to remember it is tamfamyard.com.
That me miss, man. And a YAARD, no so?
If you put YARD, if you put TamFam Yard, you still get in. If you put TamFam YAAD, you still are going to go there. But set it up that way.
All right. Nothing about that.
All right.
But before me crack the joke.
Sunday, we want to see you have a post your dinner Sunday where you cook too. We want to see your dinner.
No, let me sure if me dinner now.
What?
Let me sure if me dinner now, but I know WhatsApp you take me call upon, come and try call upon WhatsApp before.
Oh, no, through your, remember, say you had the phone number you're calling us, so.
Yes, I call the phone number because I call you before that caller from London call you, but and you never have nobody on the line, but it wouldn't go through.
Right, now, me just I say, we not really set up so yet for we see what you do. When we start, go back to TikTok studio, you're able to show certain things here. But me will explain all of that to you and thing, you know.
All right, then say something. All right.
Yeah, because if you want to show us something now, you'd have to do over TikTok. No, but me go set it up. Me go set it up where people can show what them are showing thing. All right. So, but what the joke what you saying? You know, one look a joke for me.
Wait first, no man. But they call it the from London in line, man. Remember, say everybody know it's a cliche thing. London people don't be it.
No, but that is what she said. She said London people don't like to be it. That's what she said.
Yes, but she said she be it every day.
But she be it every day. No, I believe her. To the point where she never get for beard and she said she not go work. Until I believe her. No, I believe her. No, I believe her. I believe Kia. I true Kia tell.
Well,
Kia not sound like somebody who tell life and soap like Java and Munchie.
Oh, me know why. Me know girl who from my cousin who left and go there and she said, boy, she never know so she could have never be that heat in the house. She never know that she could have there Farrin and not be it.
Oh, so what she did that she go up there, she pick up the thing there and not be it done.
I know, listen, but she said one at the time her auntie did turn off to eat from her room, so she did cold like ice and to put on how much sheet and how much layer clothes. So it's like so she did say all the time all her infection. She talk it out. I mean, but
what you say about infection? What?
She got a little infection because she said she couldn't
check off her clothes. Look at yeast infection. Yes. Okay. That
because she said she did it. I have no much layer clothes. And she said she never get to shower maybe for 4 days. She talking. She tell me.
Yeah, because she didn't want to stay warm and the auntie go turn off the heat and thing. And,
yes,
you know that the era there for some women it's sensitive, you know, whole heap of sweating and moisture go on and thing, you know, the yeast infection come. Oh, God, poor thing. So she couldn't look at water and tidy.
Boy, I don't know the situation. You know, until you go to your thing and you rooks and come back.
All right, me understand. Don't say another word.
Yeah, man. Look at don't say not no more.
We know
exactly.
what is what.
We have to follow the code, you know, man. Because sometimes you hear that the people, you know, and you say, you just tell them nothing, and them are fixing it.
And they run down in and say, and throw this shit them in a thing and whatever. And while them do that and upstorm, we look
yes, man. All with the politics who are going and no, man. And you just say, don't put in no name, man.
Yeah, and they run to put in name.
And then me feel bad, you know, because sometimes I don't catch up on the news and then me read against the thin lines what you are saying.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad and I was like, oh my God.
See there.
Anyhow, with the lady who call and I tell her she like how she quinty and do the exercise and do something there.
Yeah.
So me know one girl. So me don't know where a man go get it. So somebody quinty on the man. So the man and she that with and she said she excited, so she fling off everything off of the dresser. and I do it. So the man say, Quinty, 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 Quinty. So she said she start batting and Quinty. Yeah. The whole shop turn over and nearly pop up because she said, no. The man said, no. And you fi Quinty, you fishy, you fi Quinty.
Oh, God. So she don't even know nothing about for Queen down there.
No, nothing about it. When she tell we the joke that way, you know, when ladies get down, sit down and that time. Me say we laugh. Because man say, no, and that be me. Quint down did this up. Quint down did this up.
So this girl that you're talking about, by any chance, her name was Christina?
You know, so I named it start with CH, but me not quite remember the whole hen.
Okay.
CH, I named it start with which you know.
Okay, CH, is that the CH?
Yes.
So it could have been
Yes.
thing, you know,
It could have possibly be she because they don't know nothing.
Yeah.
They don't know outer road style. Remember saying you wear the jacket, you know, and the pike heel same way, but at the same time, you got to be versatile in everything, you know. You understand? Yes. So then gonna have
to. Hold on, when they go with the jacket and the spike heel. Tell me,
so like them wear the jacket and spike heel, only know office work.
Wait, hold on. Just by. I just want to tell them, you're getting me excited. Okay, jacket and spike heel, go in there. Hold on.
Yes, man. So then put on all of them sitting uptight in a handbag and long fingernail and gonna office. Only half his work then can do.
Oh, yeah, them. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Yes, so they don't know if they do the outer road thing. That's why them man left them, you know.
That's why them man left them, you know.
That's why them man go look something else here.
Yeah, them no know if edge it and shine it and all them something there, you know.
Exactly. Hey, Raga, one time I call you started foreign food yet?
You must start eat foreign food?
Yes.
Yeah, for a long time. Yeah.
You make me come catch you a second time. Yeah. Yes.
What
No, this can come on. Me a talk so.
What you mean you catch me with? What you catch me with?
Brother, foreign food is eating downstairs.
I will tell you so. So you've never hold on, poor you. You've never had ravioli or lasagna.
No, we make them in Jamaica, so you eat foreign food and that's the second time I make it. Yes, so then girl have to laugh after you and them boy. Yes, foreign food.
Foreign food and whatever and thing, you know. All what go on where you go and say, you know, you love get your little eatings too, you know. You love when the man and deal with.
Then you could have asked that. Who doesn't?
Jeez, you like. Who doesn't? Some woman don't like it, you know.
That is true, but once in a blue moon, it's not often because one time you hear you discuss I say, but not regular. Once in a blue moon, touch up, set the pace, just like we have a wine, a glass of wine.
What do you mean once in a blue moon for what? Wait, once in a blue moon for what?
Yes, that's something they do.
You get it? You get it?
Sometimes yeah.
What do you mean? You get it or you do it?
No, I get it.
You get it? So once in a blue moon, you get it?
Yeah, that's when I want it.
You don't like it?
I like it, but not too much. But you know, it's not everybody can do it properly. Remember that.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah,
yes,
we have one man boy, him named Dog Bite, he love do it, but every time.
God Almighty. You ever you the man them walk a Kaiser yet?
The one
he usually walk a Kaiser.
With Dog Bite.
Usually walk a Kaiser.
Me don't know, but him love do it, but every time him do it, the woman and say, no, do it good.
Yes, cause one time him bite me like a literal dog. I say, no, and that's why I go.
What you mean, Dog Bite, I do it and bite you?
Bite me.
Jesus, Dog Bite, you see?
When you up with the book page, he bite me.
Yeah.
Me have to clap him in the head and say, no, and that's what you do it.
But you do slap him in the head and say, no.
Clap him in the head. Me say, no, I'm not.
Whatever. You slap him in the head, dog. No, seriously, when the man do it, so when him bite you never jump.
Yes, and grab on funny, I feel the teeth, them and knock. I said,
Oh, God. Because when I was reading up about these things, you know, I understand that some of the man, them hear the word eat and them take it literal and don't know, say it's not really that.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's not something to chomp away like it's a film in you or anything like that. That is not what it's supposed to be.
Lord God over heaven.
All right, now say a word, big up yourself.
People say, yo, big up yourself in our respect, I'm glad to see you,
So,
glad
well,
to talk because I think about.
we're going to see your cooking Sunday over Big Yard. Post a picture,
Maybe I'll
man.
try
Post
going
a
and log
picture.
in back.
Yeah,
So
post a
let's see.
picture,
Because
man.
somebody didn't send me one request, but when me look, me see email come up. But to be honest with them, I never understand it. But me I could go back in and try to figure it out because they hear everybody. Me I could figure it out, man.
Yeah, man. Sunday I got nice, man. We are going to see
Okay,
food.
yeah, with people, yeah, more and big up one somebody in your chat.
Yes.
I want to big up Missy Brown.
Oh, you mean big up Missy, yes. Big up Missy, yes.
Yeah.
You know, so Missy a foundation. I want the mama clock this at 1 second.
Oh, let me tell you how my food. Let me tell you how my cook.
Yeah.
Me just fry the fish in a little hot line, not only for oil, just make it get crystallized.
Right. What you mean?
And
What kind of
then
oil you fry the fish in?
a regular vegetable oil.
Okay, go on. So what kind of fish? You have to give with details.
And get it golden brown.
What kind of fish? What
how
kind of
name
fish?
again? The fillet. White tail, whitening.
Okay, all right. So what you do? You fry that in a little oil and then what?
You make it golden brown.
Make it golden
then
brown.
Then don't me take it out, put it aside. Me saute my onions them. But then get a little bit brownish and tip one little bit of Chinese sauce.
When you do that, do you fry the thyme too?
Wait, come on, listen to me. Me saute my onion them, and me thyme wash and me pick off the leaf them and start fry the thyme too. You want to come taste my food, me fry the thyme.
Woman, are you being serious? You fry the thyme for you?
Of course, me tell us, me one call up on WhatsApp and show me food, you don't believe me.
So wait, you are Christina and I see him boat on a fry time.
Yeah, Christina and I see him boat. You be sure, yes. Yeah, my husband now. You see me mix up husband, He jump up in the story now. Raga say, for fry time.
Well, Christina, you have company. All right.
You have company, girl, you can cook. So you watch here, you saute the time. Me saute me time, boy, you want to smell the aroma then.
Yeah.
You know, like when you have some sweet sex, Raga, like when you're having some sweet sex, I saw the time and the onion what I started with a little bit of Chinese sauce.
Remember, you talk about how it's smelling, and then you equate that with sweet sex. So when you have sweet sex, you have a sweet smell where you get?
You don't know the feelings of the sweetness that you're enjoying it, that you're talking and you're walking up in mid-cloud 9. So yes, after the food smell good.
The sweetness. The feelings of the sweetness. Okay.
Yes, man. I saw the time smell. I saw the time smelling at the food. I saw the time smelling at the food.
Well,
yes.
I believe it, because I wouldn't be surprised if Christina fry time smell like front too, like
yes,
good
man,
front.
It smell, none. Good front. Good sauce. Yes. So yes, so when you look, have no, this tell them in, they just leave them, yes, man. And then me put in, yes, man, then we put in the green sweet pepper, because the green sweet pepper harder than the red and the yellow. Yes, and then we get that caramelized, and then we put in the red and the yellow. And when me done, me take it out and put back the fish at the bottom. Yes, man.
Cover the season with the fish and them something, you know.
Yes, and cover it and put it in the back and put one little bit of sweet chili sauce on it.
Okay.
No, me not put no butter, no, me not, but too much grease already. Remember we are hoping age, we have to watch weight, eat healthy and pretty,
Indeed.
You understand me? And I eat with my eyes.
Yeah.
Yes. I eat with my eyes. So when me see you put out some of the plate in my Thailand, trust me.
Yes,
man. I saw it stay. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Now say a word, man. We see what I go on.
All right. Yeah, we link up. Yeah. All right. Love the thing. All right. Wanna keep up the energy. Bye.
All right then. Cool, man. Cool. Robert, Tony Fox, dead with laugh, looks good for eating. But then Robert in the TikTok chat say she's a woman. Then Fox in response, people, the TikTok The TikTok chat festive. You know, see somebody with one name there. Somebody with one name there, Robert. Must look one Fox picture and say she ready to get some eatings, right? So Fox start ball out, Lord murder boy. Where you gonna put that for? What she say about my mouth? What she say about my mouth? And me she attack? Wait, I mean she did attack? Oh, the message was for you, Raga. Wait, what she did say? Yes, you, Raga. See, Novlet, Robert was crushing on your mouth. So the person when you Robert says that person I say them is a woman, but they come over here with the name Robert, and they are say you know moving right along, you know, because you see that is when you have to be careful because you don't know who is who. Right? Which woman I go. Well, you have woman who use man name, right? We know that. But me never hear a woman I use the man name Robert yet. You never hear a woman use the man name Robert yet? Who ever hear that before? Let me see. Anybody ever hear a woman say them name Robert? Anybody ever hear that yet? Yeah, hear me right. You know, Cut and clip. I am under the rock. The rock is harder than I. Jehovah guide me. I'm under the rock. Go tell my enemy I'm under the rock. Jehovah guide me. I'm under. Cut and clear the crosses, them. Ish. Get behind these Satan. Back off. All right. All right. Sometimes you have to just send them wine, you know, when they come. It could be a surname. We don't want Nick, you know. That is Roberts. It's not Robert, right? It's Roberts. Surname. All right. People. Here we go on. This Sunday. I'm inviting y'all to post your Sunday dinner. But it's you have to cook it. If you know you're not cook it, you can't cook it, don't post nothing. Right? If you know you can't cook it, don't post nothing. Don't make nobody cook it and you come over there, come post where people cook for you and whatever, right? Right? Over Big Yard, and for those of you who don't know, over Big Yard, you can join for free over there. It's like a community. It's a TamFam community open to everybody and anybody, all right? TamFamYard.com, 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 and if you want to remember the longer address, it's the same thing, same place I got to end up. TamFamBigYard.com, right? TamFamBigYard.com, all right? This Sunday, right? So if you're not ready, if you're not join yet, join now. It's free for join. I want to cook and post the food over there, right? Remember, you know, when you join, you have your own timeline, you have your own page, and whatever you post, it will come over in a what? When you go over there, you go see something named Inna the Yard, that are the square, that are, you know, it will come over there, so we're going to see the food them, okay? And we want to see them Sunday. I could say start from about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, when you can start posting the food them and see. And we're going to say, wagwan, we're going to say, if our food look good. We're not going to be able to taste them, but we're going to look upon them and get a good sense and feel, because some are not good like that. You can look upon food and know if food cook good and all them things there, right? You see, I don't want Nikki run out with beer food what day, from what day, you know. Nikki come with curry goat and what day, you know. Nikki must curry goat today. Yesterday. But that curry goat, they look like it's a cooking in one restaurant pot, you understand? So not no more than she go in a restaurant and beg them, carry her, go around them, must pay off all the waiter and money and thing, and go around there and video the curry goat. Video the curry goat a cook and come post it up, say she cook it over there, big yard and a Nikki something or whatever. That look like a restaurant curry goat to me. Yeah. And I see people that post up stew peas over. Stew peas ain't look good though. Stew peas ain't look good though. Cookie Manchester say, not my Nikki. Right? We want to post. And even though we ask people for post food, we ask people for post food done. And we're going to look on the food them and see what's going over big yard this Sunday. I'm really excited about this, by the way. But even though we want everybody to participate, there's some people we are going to tell, like, yeah, we don't want to participate, but don't bother, don't bother. The first person we are going to ask, don't bother post, no cook, don't. Liquid, stay with the gun, them here. No bother post no food liquid, right? When I want you feel pressured and feel like, say, because you love to participate, but no bother post no food liquid. I know you're something like that, and we don't want the trauma and them something there, right? So liquid, you don't post no food. You don't post no food. Munchie, it goes without saying. It goes without saying. From we see a water down porridge, you look like steel piece in a chimney. We don't want you post no food, Munchie. We don't want you post no food. Me see more. Don't vex. But you see, we see how you have the hot girl, something about you, and you change, you have the chameleon sexiness, the boy. We can't tell you're not a good cook. Don't post nothing to Miss Seymour. Miss Seymour not post nothing. Wait, Miss Seymour there. See how the Miss Seymour. Miss Seymour not post nothing. You not post nothing. You not post nothing, right? You don't post nothing, right? Cookie man stress. You not post nothing. Not because you can't cook. We know you can't cook. But you are the type of person we say you post food, and when we're looking at your plate, I be body members are got in your food because I just your head gone that way there thing. So when I want you post nothing, because you know when you talk about the potential for a traumatic experience, you're that person. You know what I'm saying? So when I want you post nothing, so certain people know why I'm putting. And people, let me tell you, so you have somebody over here, you know, when I tell her she just helpful, you know, when it come to like TamFam and all them something, she have the whole of her back, you know. You understand? And helpful and thing and whatever. Even with you see, you know, she a moderator for Big Yard and TikTok and them something there and whatever and thing like that. But wonderful person, hard worker, giving of herself and what. But Christina, darling, no coming no food here. No coming no food, all right? Christina, you can grace your food. You can grace your food. Yeah, you're good for that. But that's all you're good for. Nobody cook nothing here. Christina, don't even boil no water. Don't even boil no water. No boil no egg or nothing, right? Don't stress out your head and go post and say, this is boiled water, because we know you probably drop them and things like that and whatever. Milo, you no post no food either. People, Milo, I go to school, I learn for cook now, you know. Bless her, not too late. And she open with it, she make we know. She go to school, I learn for cook and all these things and whatever. Big up yourself, Milo. Never too late and thing. But Milo, you know, nobody post nothing, Milo. Nobody post nothing. So You have some people, Del Marina post nothing. Del Marina post nothing. Because you're going to make your cousin cook your food again. You're going to call people for make them cook your food. And you're going to come post it again. Then the people them are going to come expose you again and make you know so you can't cook. And all them something there and thing or whatever. So somehow just leave it alone, all right? Everybody else, you know, everybody else, right? You know, everybody else. No, this Sunday want to the big beer. Roll out pan them in a big beer and done them. Them a beat you boy your food. Man, I like me beat you boy your food too in a big beer or whatever. Big beer strike me as one of them people that like, you know, him food that tastes good. You know, him not really care about presentation and thing, but you know. Sitting and whatever. So again, this Sunday over Big Yard, TamFamYard.com, TamFamBigYard.com, whichever one you know, go over there, join and thing. No found a join already and thing, you know, 700 I don't know about there and thing. All right, Nadine Murray, big up yourself, man, big up yourself, all right? So just make sure, say, on a post food this Sunday over Big Yard, right? We want to see it. Empress Miles, I'm ready. Yeah, you know. Hey, me know say some people, you know, them career are going to shut off, you know, and some people are going to flap. Because some of them the lulu, you know, and think it thing look good and whatever, and this and that, and watch and see. Where Craigton say I come with curry callaloo and dumpling. Okay. Anyway, people, here we are going. Whether upon jacket mix up or any other mix up on jacket. Well, it's a 3 o'clock early. No, we start 3 o'clock. But if you reach 5 o'clock or so, I don't know, you're still post. Who is going to be the judge? Forgive every love is asking me. No, but everybody else about, you know, people have a comment. Yeah, because you can comment over there, you know. Yeah. Lanoy, so Raga, you post food Sunday. Lanoy, why you have to go there, you know? Lanoy, I'm busy organizing everything, okay? A whole heap of work, that is what I say. Right? So I'm busy, I deal with the technical aspects and whatever, so perhaps I won't have time to, you know, to dazzle the audience with my culinary expertise, okay? So you know, and you know, when you're bad pan something, sometimes you just fall back and give somebody else a chance. You see what I say? Yeah, you have to make other people shine, man. Yeah, Dan, yeah. You have to make the people shine. Kelly, post the salt corned beef. Yeah, liberty. I got rude girl make a raga cookie corned beef and thing. Jesus. Yeah. Tina, what you know about me? Sir. All right, we want any mix up on have no come in with no mix up, no make we hear what go and come in with no make watch your style, you know, people. Watch your style.
Hello.
Hello.
Raga.
So the hello sounds so sweet and then the raga so it's like no I mean I walk around and it's like hello and then raga. I walk around and so I make it switch up my mind.
Let me ask you.
If it say hello, could you not have said raga? You know
Raga.
Yeah. That sounds better. Yeah.
Raga. So let me ask you, since you know I've already featured my great cooking, right? Right?
Are we talking about the portal or like kitchen?
In kitchen.
In that kitchen, okay.
And so since I've already featured that, can I post the juice that I make? What now?
Well, we're going to allow it, you know why? We are now in a day and age where juice are not just simple juice anymore, you know, juice, there are a lot of juices out there like are made replacements, you know, and thing, you know, so
true.
Yeah, we want to see your juice.
But since I already showed that part, Yeah, since I already showed the cooking part, you know what I'm saying? And
No,
some
but
people
to the
who
best of your
don't
knowledge,
know
hold on, to
the
the best of your
difference
knowledge, hold on, to the
between
best, to the
fry
best
and
of your knowledge,
saute, then
hold
just
on.
stuck on the fry, Mr. Oregano.
Well, here's a question now. Say you can present juice and thing. All me have to say enough, you just make sure say you have good juice, That's what I say. You have good juice.
Hey, it's sweet. Hey.
Not bad.
They come back. I didn't send that text and say, send the juice
I
is
need
nice.
soap and blend that time.
Make them know you, Christina, your juice. And the way you say it to you say, it's sweet.
Yeah, and when they send you that text and they be like, can I get some more? The juice did sweet.
Nice, man, nice. And I like Lanai juice where they scratch up dog bite throat. Scratch up in throat to dog bite. Dog bite.
I'm not gonna say nothing.
No,
I'm not gonna say nothing about that.
Dog bite when Lanai juice I go down in that barbed wire in throat I go down in esophagus, go down to him, esophagus, big beer talk like that. Like it's sticky pan Lanai. It's sticky pan Lanai out there, so it's doing whatever, but your juice sweet.
It's sweet.
It's sweet. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Big up the good juice, them. Oh, you mean?
Right.
Don't.
So, everybody, we look forward to seeing Sunday dinner.
Proper.
Oh, proper. And one person, then we're going to need a sign off. Then we're going to need a second pair of eyes and maybe a third pair of eyes before they post theirs.
Oh. What do you mean? What?
Who always let us down? Who always let us down?
Who always let you know down?
Yeah. That always make us scratch our head and be like, oh, what that?
We a big beer.
Let me drink my water. Hold on.
Well, a really big beer you stop with? Eh?
Yeah.
A big beer, yes?
Yeah. We need a second and third pair eyes before we post.
Big beer, you them a bus liberty for them out of big beer.
No, we don't want to see that.
No, but at least big beer roll out with him thing and all when you beat him still roll out and thing and whatever here. That way I say, remember when Beanie Man get boo at stadium and Beanie Man come back, come turn big star. When you go and take big beer light here and whatever.
Yes, you, Teddy Bear. Are you me I talk about? You.
Make me say, me you come for. Well, yeah, you go and like, you want to take set from big beer. At least big beer step out. No found no one, no cook, no can be show no food and whatever because you don't know the verdict now or whatever. You see, you there beat big beer. And when you start the conversation with a while ago, basically, make me translate where you just say, Raga, I don't want to show my cooking, I can show some drinks. At that, I say, at least big beer, show him cooking and thing like a G.
Since like I've already featured my fabulous food will look good.
But we never see it.
Maybe I can even bake. But,
but we never see your food. You just talk about your food. You never show your food. You never post your food.
Well, I've posted my food. Yes, maybe not on TikTok, but on Facebook I have.
Oh, you post food over Facebook? Where you cook?
Yeah. Enough time, Raga. You have to go look.
No, I never see your food post yet.
Yes, I posted food over there. But in any event, I already know that looks good. So the next thing is juice.
So Sunday, it's a big yard Sunday food fest.
Sunday dinner. Yes.
Yeah.
So everybody roll out.
Sunday dinner
let's
fest.
See all of the food. Yeah. You know what I always noticed? What I really love? You notice when Caribbean people post food and the way they carve out and dig out and set up them plate.
Yeah.
Hey,
and
where they learn that
neat,
from?
The rice neat and all.
Yes.
No man, when Caribbean people put out food and whatever.
Just fling pan one
you
paper
not
plate
fit
or fling and look chaka and just plow.
Well, it's just
no
like
look
an
like
artwork. Well, we have one exception. We have one exception.
Yes.
Well, we have one exception, and she's a SDC, so we're still, you know,
Trend
what?
like oh.
No, Sonia food them always look chaka like say you have you know when protests are going, when protests are going and people are bored, Sonia food always look like say like them like them in a protest and all them something like. Sonia, we cook some shrimp, and when you look on the shrimp, them is like the whole of the shrimp, like none of the shrimp them not like the other one them. None of the shrimp them like the other one them, like them in a war and basic.
I have to go look before I second that, but that's your people. So if you say that, oh God, Sonia, I'm sorry.
I say, but outside of that, Caribbean people them ever like set up them
I
food
always
thing.
notice that, and I'm like, damn.
You see, proper thing.
Yeah, it just be just proper. It just look nice. It looks like you really want to eat it. You take a picture, then you know what I'm saying? You want, you know what I'm saying?
No man, Caribbean people Caribbean people very, very serious about them eatings.
That's true.
No, that was perfectly timed. We had the classic pregnant pause. Classic pregnant pause, and it was like, and then the unpredictable. That's true, actually.
It's actually true.
Yeah. Caribbean people in general. Yeah. But you have Sonia, you have Angie Melly and thing for them thing always chaka and steer.
They're gonna prove you wrong this Sunday.
Who? No.
Angie.
No, them not.
Sonia.
Let me tell you, it's like
just as long as you stay out of the kitchen, we don't want. We'll be all right. Just stay out of the kitchen. You can be the judge, but just stay out of the kitchen.
Why are you being so mean?
I hear about no bellyache or nothing like that. So just.
Jesus Christ, if somebody had said, "We don't want to show no food because that's not too blessed traces."
Wait, you talking about double lock?
Yeah, double lock. Double lock, you know about that showing the food. Double lock, you can be a cheerleader, right? You can be
just a cheerleader.
Yeah, just be a cheer. Yeah. No, when I double lock, you just come out there with a pom sis, boom, bar. The food they look raw, but the other one look like it curry and it can yeah. All right, yeah, and cha. No, that is it. That is no. Hey, never. Sis, boom, bar.
God.
Or the white people them do it. Or the white people them. White girl, we don't want to do them thing, them cheerleading thing. And that even do double lock. Nobody cook, you can't cook. Double lock, you can't cook. And nobody come argue with about it either and whatever. You can't cook and whatever. So you be the cheerleader Sunday. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's fine.
Cookie man stress him. I want it's a double lock food. You can't stay there and take that risk there. What do you think? We make the Canada people them for post. Canada people them for post.
Well, their food should, maybe look good because, they lock up in their house all the time. But, we'll see.
If we make the Canada people them post, should we just say Canada people can post, but we don't want anybody from Calgary for post? We can't say that. Like K can post up a Calgary, you have K. Not K in England, not K at Calgary. And then Angie Melly can post because I'm up a Calgary. Because, I don't know. We see. We for make Mr. G post. Mr. G a post down. Mr. G for post.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I want to see Mr. G's on.
Yeah, Mr. G for post, man. No, I sound to me like. Wait there. Over YouTube, bro Shaka said Canada people can't cook. True story. It's not me saying it's over YouTube. So I don't want nobody come say, right? See it there? Bro Shaka 5942 over YouTube say Canada people can't cook. True story.
Damn, Canada, what can y'all do?
I don't know.
What in Canada for real?
What Canada can do?
Come up and tell us what they can do, because we already know said them have to jump the border to go get sort out. So, all right, they can't cook. What else?
Well, I remember, you know, Mr. Man one day, when him say, I Canada, I'm there, you know. Well, like,
but he said he had to go to New York.
When him back him fist, him have to clamp him nipple. Canada. I Canada, I'm there, you know. Okay.
I was looking like, what the hell?
No man, yo, bro, mash up my head when that one, bro, on that one, that I mean, if I even know what he said, January, and the dog double down on it and hold it and say, well, I'm cheer Raga. Yeah, man, I said, yeah, the real thing that if you try.
I wonder if he used one clamp or two clamp at the same time.
Yeah, moving right along, next subject. So, did you notice that the sun rose today? Yeah. We actually had sunshine. Right? Yeah.
Right.
Anyway, so
like I said, Canada, we looking for y'all Sunday.
Yeah, we're going to
look for them first.
Watch out Canada come out and shell the place with some bad food and thing and turn over the thing. Right? So people, big yard Sunday dinner food fest. Okay. Yes. All right. Big yard Sunday dinner food fest. Wanna just come and from Sunday afternoon wanna start posting food, wanna cook and show out and thing and we are gonna be fair. And if food look good, remember I said we can't taste the food, so if food look good and thing and whatever, all right.
And this is based on looks.
Right. We can't
and
taste
presentation.
The food. But some people still are gonna lose, you know, because if Milo post, it's gonna look like, you know, when a Jamaican, you know, right with them, say it look like crap. Hold on. And they say it look like
Milo,
crap.
I get proper instruction and technique right now. So I don't want to hear that.
Right. That's a crap
Milo
to a food
got
you're gonna
this, right?
Crap to a food.
Milo got this.
Crap to a food we're going to Milo gonna post. Crap to a food. That may I tell you, all right?
At least we know it's better than yours. So that's no.
Wait.
We don't even have to think about that.
Yo, take it back.
No.
Take it back. Take it back. Take it back.
You just one little step.
All right. Yes, it's true. You're going to answer wicked, you know. Here we are going. Yes, it's true. You come with juice. Watch me. Raga, I got done you. SDC, I got done you. Because I'm going to make a juice when people look on them and say,
you
no,
gonna pull
Raga,
out a cookbook
whatever,
juice?
man. People are going to say, no, Raga, you can't cook, you know, but no, that juice. I bet you say your juice career done, right? I bet you say my flap your juice.
No.
Right? Yo, when me done with your Sunday, nobody now gonna want your juice again.
It will still be requested.
Whatever. Me say when me done with you Sunday now, if I juice your thing, then nobody now gonna want your juice again. Right? Your juice career done.
For real, Raga?
Yeah, me gonna make a juice. Make a juice and things.
Right.
So, right. All right, so you and me I say, when you come Sunday with your juice and thing, make sure say you have some relatives near you and thing for whatever. When you drop down, them can sap you with little water and put little stinking shoes.
I'll open the door so my neighbors
stinking sneakers over your nose like when them do a Jamaica, like when you drop. You know, in Jamaica, when people drop down, them say, pass a dirty crepe there quick. Pass a dirty crepe there quick. Put your nose.
Oh my gosh. Whatever. I'll be ready.
All right. Don't worry yourself, man. Watch and thing. Your career done Sunday. Watch and thing. All right. All right, boo boo.
Right,
Raga loves you.
Bye.
Watch your ride. Jacket mix up or any other mix up on have anything on officer because Sunday now go normal over big yard, right? You know, I'm gonna ask Bossy Boy flight for roll through. Somebody tag Bossy Boy flight and tell him say him have to roll through over big yard this Sunday and thing and whatever. No, but gonna make it nice, man. Watch and see what I go. Somebody tag Bossy Boy flight. Yo, you see, we're going to do it in the yard, you know, but we're going to see what we can go on with because when we're going to do now, we're going to pick out some of them and we're going to present them like the one them will lead. Me go present them. If you go over big yard theater right now, you know, you go see one new chat window, you know, so work I do, right? You go see one new chat window. So I think I go and pick out the one them me think lead the pack and present them and have a discussion on them and thing and see if we can get like all a bossy boy fly or a lemon and thing and make it thing interesting and whatever and thing. Sunday supposed to nice over big yard. Fritz, big up yourself, you know, me see you over YouTube and thing. Munch British. All right. Munch British, I will be posting Raga favorite menu, bully beef and rice. You see all them liberty and you see what she out there. You them people are out there and thing and whatever and a boss liberty for Miss Cherry boy. A boss liberty for Miss Cherry boy. They not no manners, you know.
Play right there, so you still say one when I cup and them I go show you and you go pick.
Hold on, let me hear what.
Diva. Frisky. Diva.
Hello?
Yo, wagwan.
Oh, where are they? Me there get that. Yeah.
Wago down.
Nothing I go on Raga mistake, take me down.
A mistake, take you down.
Next time.
All right,
So
me
me have
charge
to
it.
wait for you later.
Don't say a word, man. Big up yourself, man.
Jonathan.
Protection.
Alright, same to you.
You see
Line
it,
up on the
you see
thing
it.
they might.
Well, I mean, yeah, sometimes you have to be careful, you know. We joke and fun, but when I want people put on. Juice me that big up yourself, you know. Diva need for. And what I be careful and I sit there when because somebody named murder for Samantha. No, they went name the brother something like that. No, film talk that. Yeah, can't manage him, you know. What him name, man? Where the man? Where the man? Where the man? Where that's a murder for Samantha? And Tasha, we'll be at a christening, then dinner on Sunday. When you have to do what you have to do. Derek, him see him on and thing. You have to do what you have to do in Tasha. I saw it going and thing. And if you hide, that's a good reason for hide, you know. That's a good excuse for hide and not show your cooking and thing or whatever, you know. Right, Tasha, we understand, you know. So if you know, if you're afraid of the clash and you don't want to come out with your food and thing and whatever, a good excuse for have is that you have a christening for go and then dinner after. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna leave her alone, I'm afraid. You understand? I just said, this would have been epic. Yeah. All right. What you right, people? Jacket mix-up or any other mix-up one. Jacket mix-up or any other mix-up. See? Come in with the thing. You know, I said this thing, yeah. Did I wait name there? Let me see, you know, man. Jacket mix-up or any other mix-up. Don't let me have to do a no-show. What ya? Milo full of chatty. Nobody in the ANC no hide from what? Nobody in the ANC crew no hide from cooking. You hear them big chat ya? And she just start go cooking school. Cause she buffing in her kitchen and thing and just start go cooking school. Oh, nobody in the ANC when back from cooking and whatever. Milo, you just start go cooking school. You don't even start cook yet. Them just a teach you how to cut up things yet. I just that's you there. You're there the first class, them. Them a teach you how to keep your finger bend and cut up something with them. I that's yet. You don't even know how to cook nothing yet. The most you can do is decorate 2 pieces of cucumber and piece of carrot in a migla and make it look like one design. Milo, don't hype. You're not there yet. You're not arrived yet. Bill and chill. Right? You just start go cooking school and thing. You not put nothing in a pot yet. I cook them and show you how to cook up and thing and draft the little part off a skeleton and thing and shell off the what name that for onion and then sit there. You just a deal with for touchy seasoning and whatever. You don't even open that season back yet. And thing you come by here. Nobody in the ANC afraid of no cooking. We is a cooking. Cooking our thing. We shell out cooking. Ray. Blah blah blah. Boom. Right? You can't have a peel green banana. Nor can I. Hey, let me tell you something, man. You know, when some people say, why, they can't do some things or whatever, and you're like somebody yesterday, who did yesterday I said them can't cook something? Somebody did I say, I care how them try. I think an alien. Our alien did I say she can't cook. An alien can't cook. But it's like some people just have like an Achilles heel with some things. And like liver. Alien says she can't cook liver, right? Like some people have like a little quirk like that, you know. It's weird. Like people, you don't know what's for the longest while. I couldn't spell the word privilege correctly. Even though I know some man either when to something or whatever. I can't be but for the I know it's spelling, you know, but every time I write it incorrectly, you know. You know, like some people just have a little quirk like that. Shanae says she can't cook cow food, right? Well, cow food, I know everybody can cook cow food, Shanae. So don't beat yourself about that, right? Shanae, let me tell you something. No people think them can cook cow food and them can cook good. You know, my time with them people and them cook cow food and them think it good and you do it if you want to embarrass them or nothing. All right? Simone D, fried dumplings, right? Some people just have like an Achilles heel with something. Them just, like conceptually, you know, them know what to do, you know. And them understand what to do. And it's like them a do what them to do. And you have some people, you know, them will use the same amount of seasoning where what three other people use. Them will put on the seasoning the same time where the three other people put on the seasoning. And do everything the same way. And for whatever reason, the three other people food tastes good and for them food not taste good. And Jamaicans have these kind of spiritual explanation for it or whatever, which I really don't go that way. And I really this so, you know. But you know, for me, I'd a green banana or something there. So I don't know if Raga can cook it. Well, you know, me I'm a big cooker or whatever. Me can't, you know, as we say, bitch up something, you know, but whatever. But, you know, me no fool with my hand them and thing. But you see that's something that what Jamaican and just cut the top in a little circle and slide it down in the vein and thing. All when me take my time and do it slow motion like me in a matrix, you know, and slide it down right down in a vein, you know. You see, by me come so it still not come off. It still not come off. That me I wonder if the focus people think say, yeah, for just cut it the right way. And only that you need for do, but probably you take it off today is a technique to it. Me no know, but me rate the Jamaican when them a peel green banana and it just come out smooth like a ripe banana. Smooth like a ripe banana. Right? No, but me I tell you, say no whole heap of effort and no this and that and thing like that, you know? Sonia, you're going too hard. And what you know about that? Yeah. No, Sonia, you know, say, you know, the young boy something that, you know, me not really going too hard, you know, me like going too hard. Yeah, I'm like take my time going. Right? You go in, you take your time going, man. You stand up by the doorway a little bit and thing, you know. You stand up by the doorway a little bit and step in the living room and step back out and say, if man go in there, you know. And when you go in there, man, you're running up and down, man. You'll take time, sit down and I see. You see what I say? Until we're done, you start jump up in the couch. Well, I know, you start jump up in that couch. You see what I say? All right. Anyway. All right. I could see where I go on now. Chris, big up yourself, you know. I see her. Carib girl said, knock the door first. I like that. Me like that Carib girl. Knock the door first. Yes, man. You go in the living room if you knock the door first. That nice, you know. And have be one nice to knock to. Because you know some people knock on it and the knock not sound good, and some people have some sweet knock. Knock the door before you go in the living room. Me like that. Me go use that. Yeah. Real player. We don't even want to kick down the door. A young boy kick down the door. We knock the door, man. Knock the door. Make all the melody on the knock on the door sound good. You don't even in our living room, you know. You just knock the door. Knock the door. She said, Jesus, I'm the knock them nice. The knock them make me feel good. That's someone for knock door when them come in the living room. Don't it, Sinalicious? Sure. Don't it, Cheryl Bless? I let them know. Simone D, tell them though. Proper knock. Put some coconut oil on your hand before peeling the green banana. I tried that. And me just did come over buff and me can't do that smooth something there. Where them just Jamaican banana skin come off. Quicker clap banana skin fly off. Right? Well, me I say Jamaican because me used to Jamaica, but me sure Sonny always said the same thing about the people them over Grenada or Trinidad and thing or whatever, you know. When me know Milo talk it truth, you can't peel banana. Munchie can't peel banana, me know that. And Tasha can cook, but she can't peel banana. Java will peel banana good. Java have that something there. She go peel banana good and whatever, you know. Munchie, no. Delmarine, no. Sonia, no. Can't peel banana. Antasha, nope. But Antasha can't cook. She just can't peel a banana that way, you know. Right? I don't think Pupans can do it either. Right? Cheryl Bless, you can't peel banana. You can't peel green banana good. Smooth. Kimberly, Lord God, like say Kimberly come. Kimberly can't peel green banana. Right? Sonia, I peel it under running water. It does it. When I talk about the stain, I talk about the people them where we just do that little circle something at the top, slide it down, and then go so roop, and the green banana skin just come off smooth. Whatever Kimberly, boy, you can't clean, you can't peel banana. You can't fool me. First of all, when you peel a banana, you have your finger them a cock off, so, right? And that not gonna work. You understand? That not gonna work. Spiritually blessed. Now that must about the island thing, but me no know. Anyway, come. I'm gonna talk to me because I'm not talking to me. I'm gonna do work. I have work to do. All right. Because you know, if I don't have any mix-up or anything for share. If I don't have any mix-up or anything for share, let's hear it. What is a comedian, son? Oh, money a come over. All right. We not complain. Chrissy, why go down? You good? Chokuki says she eat the smell of kidney. Kidney have a particular smell, man. I guess so, because I know liver have a particular smell. Liver have a particular smell, so I guess kidney must have a particular smell too, though. All right. Okay. What, kidney rank? Really? And it's a kidney ring. It removes urine and people them a break it down and whatever. Well, true, me not really. Me not have to deal with it in it when it name the state or whatever. The only time me eat kidney when it don't cook down. I want to know when Caribbean people are cook food and whatever. There's so much seasoning and whatever and all them something like that. So my problems them what people have with them from another raw state, it become a no-brainer issue by the time Caribbean people don't cook food and things. Cause all of them, the way Caribbean people cook and whatever, you know, like mackerel have to soak out, you know, whatever, and everything have to wash and have to wash with vinegar and clean and you want to see them with the chicken and not go up and with under the lime or both under the chicken and what. When Caribbean people don't know wash meat, man, and lime it up and a vinegar it up and this and that and whatever, man. What any little bacteria crosses in there, then go through it, man. Then go through it, man. And it don't even cook yet. Worse when I like seasoning going down in night and it in a pot and thing and the seasoning run up in that all. But people, me I tell you something, you know, but me not. Who know any other group of people cook food the way we do it in the Caribbean, and I'm assuming other people do it like we do it at Jamaica and the Caribbean, to the point where the bone tastes good. Like when you chew up a bone, the bone have flavor. And you never cut the bone, you never did push no knife in the bone and put seasoning in it or nothing, but just the way Caribbean, women and men, the way Caribbean people cook, the way Jamaican people cook, like the chicken bone, like the flavor go down in the bone. Somebody say Haitian, Haitian is Caribbean, right? Go down in the bone. See that's the term, Nikki. You're quite right. Season to the bone, right? Jeremiah's a beer. Everything you post are like something adversarial. I be them something that Jeremiah's post, you know, like you can't do this, and because you know this, and because I be them sitting there you post. Anyway, Simone D said Colombia, I enjoy. No, I'm gonna ask you if you enjoy the food, you know. Dancehall, it's a Mediterranean food. No, you're wrong there, so you're wrong there, so. You're wrong this about Mediterranean food. You're wrong this, sir. Well, I'm unless me and you go two different pattern, whatever. Mediterranean, them not cook it thing down in a bone. Down to the bone. Right? It was no, sir. I may have Colombia food tastes good. Yeah, Colombia is true. It's true. Colombia food, no, yeah, well, Trinidad and the Caribbean. No, me I talk about, which part? No, seriously. Somebody said Colombia, right? Anybody go anywhere else and thing and the bone, like, is a thing for people eat and chew up the bone because the bone good. Philippines, Thailand, and Indian. No, Thailand food is just to die for, right? I love Indian food too and thing. I don't really know Philippines food like that. I've heard a lot of good things about them, but me don't know of them for them thing nice go down to the bone. Right? Honduras. Mark, you know, I say good food, you know, I say then cook them food. Middle Eastern food, they have a dish with the bone marrow and it is so good. Well, I'm glad when I say that because I don't know, but the food we have in the Middle East and like all the Middle East, it's weird, you know. Them love sauce, like soup-like sauce. Them into them something there with beans and them thing there. But at the same time, them love sauce, you know. But at the same time, the way them cook them food, it dry. Them meat and it depend on the dry side. But them cook, them have woolly sauce. Them not shorter sauce. You go East Africa, you go up in the Middle East and thing or whatever, they're really into it's a thing with them, you know, like to have like when I call it sauce, it's kind of like a soup, but not soup because soup different. But they're really into these things where you dip the whatever in a. But when them cook the meat, them dry, man. Well, I guess they forgot into the sauce, I don't know. But them eat the dry thing all the while, and you know, me don't know. We tend to cook something. Obviously, I don't know how it's done, but me I say the way Caribbean people cook good food and whatever is like. Obviously, we emphasize flavor and them something, but right down to the bone, man. Most of we grew up and we are chew up a bone and we chew up and we chew. When we don't chew that the bone there, whatever, and it come out, crush up and thing and white. White. When we're done with it. You understand? Anyway, let me see if anybody else and think anybody am gone. Jacket Mixup or any other Mixup on Jacket Mixup or any other Mixup. Do remember this Sunday, just roll out with the food and thing over big yard, TamFamYard.com. TamFamYard.com. If you're not join it, make sure you go join right now. Right? Because, and you can join for free. Join for free. And things. So you know what, Mr. One night I go nice. We're going with a bag of something. I will fly them. I need for car fly it, you know. I don't know a flight number there, you know. I don't know a flight number there, you know. Let me see if I can find flight there. Jeez and peace, man. I look for me other number, you know. Come him now go in at this. Wait, at him there? At the junk or that? Why not look like him in there? It look like him there, man. Alright. Oh, me call him now. Alright. Let me see if I can get. Hold on there. So what do you think the fuck on? People may try to figure out I can call bossy boy. Voice, okay, let me see. Yes. I don't know if you more answer, you know. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. This is Joseph Betancourt. Could I please speak to Mr. Pinedo?
Speaking.
Mr. Pinedo, do you know a Charmaine?
From?
Kingston, Jamaica.
No.
Have you been sleeping with my wife?
I have no time for kill it loose argument, uncle. If you call me about something different, you talk to me about something different. I don't have no time for this kind of kill it.
My name is Ragashanti. I understand you've been sleeping with my girl. You know what I'm saying? I could not carry that one there. I carry go whatever. This and that, you know, you're lucky.
You're for nastiness, yo.
No, you know what I could have run with it. You start at the banter, then you start right there, so no, with that miserable, you don't forget miserable, like a dirty man, who you.
Right now, my mouth did a long up like Bounty Killer one.
Yo,
where are you with great one?
Dog, I Bringley out, forget Bringley a while ago, you know.
Yeah, man, so what is in a new year? If I did last year, you could have tried to ask me that, not this year.
No, not this year, because nothing not going on since this year.
Nothing not going on from this year, brother. Tambourine season.
No. One bossy boy flight pan the happen of people. Big up. By the way, I do my show, so them I hear you, right? My life on TikTok right I know, so them I hear you, yeah?
Yeah, man, bless up the TamFam family, man. You know, our day, I see something resurface when we used to go and St. Mary and all boat, man.
You see it. Those were the
And
days, man.
boy, me I tell you, boy,
You see it.
glory days.
So here we go on flight. No, so you know Raga always up to something and thing. I'm back in at the vein, you know, so me big up this and I go this and whatever. Anyway, we have a site now, and again, it's gonna be part of multiple sites called TamFam World. But the first site where we focus on and thing is a TamFam online community, and it named TamFamBigYard.com. TamFamBigYard.com, right?
Yeah.
And we have a whole bunch of things where we are going to do coming up and things which I'm going to invite you to be a part of. And so forth. So we'll talk about them sitting there. Because you know your foundation when it comes to TamFam and sitting and whatever. But this Sunday, you know, we are going to have like a cook-off. People are going to cook them Sunday dinner and post, right? And them are going to post over there, and the way it's set up like Facebook, so them are going to post it on them page, and it's going to come in at the news feed over the name in the yard. So we're going to see all of the food, them and thing and whatever. So it crossed my mind, you know, because you know, I'm go with my spirit, you know, I say, you know, say, flight need for day for we review the food, them and talk up something them about the food, them or the people, them have and thing and whatever, this and that. So you need to make yourself available, me tell you how to connect and all them something there over there. And thing. Watch out. You have one woman from Grenada, she named Sonia. Well, I know. You have one woman from Grenada, she named Sonia. Me love flight, him funny bad.
She do what?
Well, she come from Grenada, but she there Canada and thing and whatever. And for the life of we can't get her to wash her foot back, but that's a separate matter. But she just post and she said, me love Floyd, him funny bad. You understand?
No, tell her I know me that man, a chiba that.
Yo, don't do it, you know. Don't call she be name over there, you know, because she be a man, we just pick it up and start doing everybody, you know, we can't manage it. Right? Because I bet it's right now, somebody got, let me see if him live. Come him the live earlier, you know, come could have live right, you know, right? And you know, then we run go and say, Shibby, the one fly down Raga, fly over Raga and them are done you know, and go gaslight him and thing and whatever. And next thing you know, him go take on with case and whatever. You will worry me, you know, but me can't manage him. Me can't manage it. Yeah.
Well, Raga, with all said and done, I'm telling you, we Jamaicans went to a serious process of cold front.
Of cold front. Yes, tell me about it. We need a report and thing. Tell us about the cold front and its impact on the Jamaican populace. So how was that?
Well, I was battened down, waiting on the cold front, you see?
Right.
From Saturday, they said it would have started. That's the first one. I'm not talking about, but we had two more after.
Okay, so three cold front. So you were up in three cold front.
Yeah, after I leave the U.S. cold front, I came down recently, about 2 weeks ago, I was in New York.
Right.
So I experienced a winter storm.
Right.
And then I come home racing for a cold front.
Right.
Now, the weather reporters here in Jamaica said that it would have started to impact the island from Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
But unfortunately, I don't know what happened to the frontal system.
Mm-hmm.
But it delayed a little bit.
Right.
And then when the cold front came, we were caught off guard.
Okay.
And as a man, if you're not used to cold front, it will affect you tremendously.
Okay. Because what I'm hearing from you is that you're generally accustomed to a warm front or a hot front.
Yeah, a warmer front, especially traveling on the back road era. The road here is a little bit warmer than normal.
So when you travel on the back road, have you at times consumed cold, warm front or hot front around there?
No, to use the word consume would not be eligible for this kind of conversation.
What do you mean? I'm not sure what you're saying.
No, when you consume something, it means that it's edible.
It's edible. Okay.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
So Yeah, go on.
Yeah, there are other conditions that you could use that terms in, but not on the back road side.
All right, then, but can I just say then that on occasion you have found great pleasure in saturating yourself in a warm or a hot front, correct?
Well, to be honest, you know, gone are the days when you have cold meal, you know.
Yeah, be a hot meal.
Because you have various method of warming up the meal before you consume it.
Oh, I like microwave.
Yeah. Well, it more look like an oven shape.
Yeah. When I know. So which one I? All right then, we're getting somewhere. So which one I front? Which one I front? Them like the oven at front or the microwave at front? Which one better?
The oven, because you can set it at a temperature that you want it.
350 degrees, you can't lose. That is the standard. You can't lose right there. So and the slow heat build up there, you know, where you make it over.
Yes.
You make it over at first before you go in there.
Yes, and you continue to flip it so you get the niceness of both sides.
Right. That is true. As opposed to the microwave where you go in there before it even start warm up and then it warm up fast.
When you go in the microwave, it tends to make things a little bit dizzy because it keeps rotating.
It rotating and a bun at good, and a bun at quick.
And then make a loud noise when it think it's prepared.
So tell me something now, Floyd. I understand that somebody they had a misunderstanding with you when you were giving a person directions. The person was trying to park their car, and you were explaining to them like, oh, for park them car. And it caused some confusion. Could you tell us what happened there? What happened there?
No, you know, I was a part of a small entourage.
Right. Yeah.
But it was actually Leon Parkins, aka Lemon.
Right. And then what happened?
Who was parking the car? But when we went to the venue, a man was so excited to the vehicle, but we were parking in a area that wasn't designated for us to park.
Right, yeah.
So the guy have on the vest came out and him on top of him voice, you know, as usual Jamaican, yo boss, you can't park this, you know.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So, you know, we were offended. So we rolled down the windows and then apparently he recognized us.
Mm-hmm.
So him say, wait, I too bad comedian them, man. No let man fly this.
Mm-hmm.
All right, good boy, here what I go do. I'm going to move a corner, say, I'm going to follow my instructions.
Mm-hmm.
Driver, that time I man driving. I say, driver, here what you do? Wind up and come, driver. Wind up and come. So when the vehicle start go back now, him say, yo, bossy, push your bottom over that side of me. Put your bottom to that side. Yeah. And then him go directly behind the vehicle and him say, yeah, you stay good, you stay good. Come in on me now, come in on me. Come straight in on me, my boss. Come. Raga, it's the first I ever seen Lemon so furious. I think I know the car is there and no park.
Yeah. So him start by where him say first, where him say the first thing him say.
Say for wind up and come. Cause you know you have to all the vehicle did set. Yeah. You have to wind up for straightening.
Yeah, wind up and coming on me now. Wind up and coming on me. Wind up and coming on me. And then
and then two Lemon did a wind up lean. Yeah. Him say, put your bottom to that side of my boss. Watch me now. Put your bottom to that side. And then when him see the car in the parallel parking now, you know, the two white line him say, yeah, my boss, you look good now. You look good. Come in on me now. Come in on me. Come straight in on me. On that day, I don't drive back with Lemon.
You don't drive back with Lemon anymore, I think. I tell you.
Yeah,
Yeah, so
if me I gonna when me drive my own car, I make sure look for the same brother.
yeah, man, that must have been a traumatic experience for Lemon.
No, we were traumatized because it wasn't something that we were expecting.
Yes. Anything of interest and anything that you find that my audience here, my TamFamers here would appreciate you to give us a recount of, that would be
Well, recently, Raga, my daughter, she goes to St. Catherine High School. She's in grade 10 now.
Right.
Wow. But I
Wow.
realized that they have changed the report system here in Jamaica. First time we could have asked, they would have sent for our parents to come and pick up the report, but they have scammed that now. They start to.
All right, wait 1 second. YouTube, me here say, not hearing Floyd, but I something I have got sort out after, but well, let me see something. 1 second, the fly. 1 second, fly. TikTok I hear you, but YouTube said them not here. But me never get to set that because me never did even when me go back over YouTube, me never did wait name the WhatsApp yet, So I really the WhatsApp me I forgot. Just give me 1 second. Just let me see something one thing. Let me see me can and if not, me just set it after, but let me just see if me can help them right, 1 second, people, don't move. Well, come over here, so general. Nope. Where the audio? No. Okay, here we go. Speakers. But it depends on the right thing, so I don't know how I'm going there. So pro chat. YouTube, no vex here. Just like the last time on the WhatsApp, me got the WhatsApp I work now, but we not hear it, but me fix that. But don't vex. And everybody over YouTube, the show I go post back, I'm not gonna get the audio, okay? But so anyway, Flight, go on now. So what you say now about your daughter now in high school now?
Right. So they start to issue the school report on an app. So what she have to do to access it now, she have to put in her ID, her school ID number.
Right.
So apparently they would have gotten the report before the parents got a chance to see.
Okay.
Because in the school system they used to call in the parents and sit down and discuss it with you and say your child is this and that. But anyway, she came home from school one day furious, crying down the place. So I said, Alejandra, what is the problem? She started to get into her friends and said, Daddy, I know that I fail. And if I fail myself, I fail me, I fail you, and I fail mommy.
Wow.
So I said, little girl, what happened to you? Did you get in a fight at school today? Why you crying like that? Because I Spanish Town Fair school then, I'm ready to roll out my troops and go over St. Catherine.
Mm-hmm.
So apparently, she settled down a little bit and she said, Daddy, I got my report today. So I said, so I don't get it. She said, it's not you going to school, it's me. So I say, oh, you got joke. Let me see the report. When I saw the report, rather, out of a class of 40 students,
yeah,
my daughter was placed 20th.
20
in the whole entire class.
Right.
So I said to her, little girl, this is what you're really coming here, getting an ego and getting a temper and a cry about. Take off your uniform, go take a shower, get yourself something to eat, and go to your bed. And don't make a box, because Jamaican parents box don't put me for anything.
Mm-hmm.
So I said, don't make a box. You know, move from in front of me.
Mm-hmm.
I went to the prestigious Excelsior High School.
Mm-hmm.
And when in a class of 40, you know how much your father come? And the conversation ends right there.
So, man, how much? Where you did come? Where you did come in at school?
Raga, just do the maths, man. A party picnic, there, man.
Yeah, all right, they leave it right there, sir. Right.
So me that forgot to the teacher. I said to her, I said, Miss, how much are we in the class? So she said, Barrington, you're smart. You don't see how much I own in here. So me said, then me saw me come 41.
Oh, you come what?
41.
So 40 pit in that class, you come 41. I don't understand.
So you feel plus pass.
You feel plus.
Yeah, man, I feel with a little brother.
Okay. But look.
Anyway, this Sunday, I have started to do my own comedy shows in Portmore now.
What time you do that?
So it's 6:30 in the evening. It's called Laughter in the Garden.
But one of them day now, I have to go figure out a way to make it, for bring it live over Big Yard.
Yeah, definitely.
Right.
So Christopher Johnny Daly will be headlining this weekend, the post-Valentine edition. And it will be in Portmore.
Yeah, what it? No, but because don't tell them already, you know, say people. Cause the thing just set up, you know, and we have a thing over there named Big Yard Theater, right? So we can do lives over there, right? And we're gonna have movie night, popcorn night, we're gonna have presenting and whatever. So it would be absolutely awesome. These are the type of things that I want to do. You know, so we are juggled for almost 30 years right now and things like that. And so I want to do some of them like somebody said we're in Portmore. Some people them want to know. The people them want to know.
Right.
Enough Jamaican listening, you know. You know, say you go around the thing, man, kick away your foot, man. You go around the thing, or you have a talk about your something and a talk about the venue and thing. You're going like you know rate me, you know. You're going like you know rate Miss Cherry Boy, you know, man. Fly in the ramp with me, you know. Fly in the ramp with me, man. Up here and you down there, so but me can still give a big foot, you know, fly. Don't play with me, man.
No, remember I learned from the best, and you always tell me do not eat with any, do not talk with anything in your mouth.
You know, fuck you. You know, wait, the show there?
It's right beside the Newland Basic School.
Yeah.
On Newland Road, there's a, you remember Macho Kid?
Yeah, man, I know you're a long time power with that, man.
Right. So Macho Kid now, he took over a little place over there where he fixed it up into a nice garden. He's now hosting weddings, baby showers, you know, small birthday parties and things. So there's a capacity of 150 persons.
Yes.
But what I'm doing, I'm nurturing it so that I can, when Mother's Day come, I can have a big Mother's Day to mom with laughter. And I move to a bigger venue in Portmore, but I'm creating the laughter space for now.
Very good. I love that vibe then.
And unfortunately, Raga, I'm not sure if you have heard the news. On a sadder note, though, we have lost the great Cyclops.
Who?
Cyclops.
In Japan.
Yeah, he transitioned on Monday.
Monday gone, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. For people who, when we in the comedy circuit at Jamaica, I keep sure what Jamaica small, so all of the comedians them would know one another, you know, Granny, you know, Lemon, you know, Johnny, IT Fancy Cat, me, Leighton, you know, all I would know one another and thing. And of course me, you know, Raga did I keep the show them, right? And sitting. So and then Cyclops was one of them people who come in and just do him the good thing, you know? And thing, I always make sure he eat him food. Cause fly, they know say a daddy Raga, you know. Yeah, it was my responsibility to make sure somebody take care of it. Well, I don't know, and thing like that. Yes, when I say, you know, say, I tell people all the while, I say, no, people, fly in the business before me, because you know your jacks cable and them something the way you did that.
Right.
But may I tell people like when I you know say Earl and Asylum, you did, you know, whatever.
Right.
But tell people about when you take off, I do show, comedy show and stage. Tell the people about it, Fly. Tell the people about it.
It all started at the Cactus nightclub in Portmore.
Right. Mm-hmm.
The IT and Fancy Cat, they were the hosts for regular Friday evening and ladies' night at Cactus nightclub.
And then them go over Asylum on a Tuesday night.
Right. But the first person who I idolized to become an MC was Paula Ann Porter.
Yeah.
He was at Fame 10.
Right.
I used to, really learn a lot from her.
Yeah.
I also learned a lot from Richie B.
Nice, yeah.
Bill Bagger Case.
Yeah.
The Yes Indeed man.
Yeah.
Even Barry G himself.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there was a time at Cactus nightclub when I wanted to go in free and I never have no money.
Well, I mean for cut you. Yes, indeed. Who you say a bagger you get that to?
Yeah,
was Bagger Yes Indeed or was it Tommy Cowan?
I think it was Tommy Cowan.
I think Tommy Cowan was a Yes
Tommy
Indeed.
Listen to me now.
Indeed.
Indeed.
Listen to me now, Fly. Listen to me. All right, go and talk. All right, became now. Mm-hmm.
So I used to have to go to Cactus now before the 7 o'clock. Take the stamp, go home, go tie it up with plastic bag, so that when water catch me hand, it now wash off. And go back at the club now for going, just to get my craft going.
Yeah.
What a lot of people don't know, a lot of people are always curious, how did I get the name Pretty Boy Floyd?
Yeah.
But it was actually Fancy Cat who gave me that name in the Cactus nightclub. And I want to take time out to big him up too. Just today he left for Ghana.
What?
Him and the great Blacker Ellis is headlined going over there to do comedy.
Oh, that's
so
great.
I guess they're opening up the market for other comedians now to go.
No, that is very good. That is very
right.
good. And I go to Ghana every year. You know that, right?
No, I know you're a native of Africa now. Of Africa now. Yeah. The only thing for you left to do now is to stop wearing clothes and cover yourself with one of those little tribe thing there and bore your nose.
We don't know about that boring nose. No, we're probably not go boring. I mean, I take no boring and thing. But Floyd, I'm gonna ask you something, and if you don't want say nothing about it, don't say nothing about it. But that's something happened to you a long time anyway. But me tell people about it all the while, and when me tell them, a lot of people don't believe me. But but if you don't want to say anything about it, don't say anything about it. But I'm going to tell you enough for your member. And then if you say, leave it alone, leave it alone. So there was a time when a certain thing did happen to you. And you came around to each one of us in our circle, in our performance circle, including myself. And you said, Raga, I have something to tell you what reached me last night, so... May I tell you one, I just want to be the one to tell you since it happened to me. And then you proceeded to tell me and think and whatever. And I was just like, I swear to God.
You mean the night when we go home and knock on your nice? That's what I talk about?
Yeah.
Raga.
People, all right, it's him saying people. I'm going to make him tell you, people. Me say, and people.
Raga, just go easy now. Make me tell a story.
You tell a story, but you have to make them know.
Because you go like I knew it happened to.
No, you have to make them know, say you didn't love this, the girl. You have to start from this and say
you have to emphasize and explain. No, just make me do it talking now, brother.
Right, yeah, you do the talking. Yeah.
So around a club me there in a Raga.
Yeah.
And you know your ears are ring and your head are raised and you just feel one little way.
Yeah.
Because it looked like every time something happen, my tension, like me not comfortable in the club. No care which song I play, me never comfortable.
Yeah.
Raga, me not driving, no. Then time me not on a vehicle.
Yeah.
And me left go on a Gore terrace. Right?
Yeah.
Taxi man drop me off. A ton, you know. So me never have to pay him.
Right.
And one night time him a ton. And me say, ton, you not have a ton.
Yeah.
You know, tell us me not pay you to them and
remember
circle
Tan,
back
man.
club,
Yeah,
man.
Tan. Yeah, him left for your junglist.
Yeah. Right. So when me go now, normal condition, I had a long walk to the house. Cause you know the driveway long. So me go now and knock. But when me knock, me want nice in there. So me I say, how kind of nice that? So me I call the person now, but the person not answer. But
Fly, could I just
you
ask,
know
could
the
you
wind
just
that
tell the people them where you go, like which part you got to say, your woman you got to at the time?
No man, no good woman. Me I got to
No,
man.
but when I say you never really tell them that, you know, some of us I said.
Oh no,
yeah.
man, you say that go boy along to that, but me I make them a wonder where me go.
You love her, you did love her.
You push the thing, man. You not reach us yet, brother.
Yeah, man. Okay, cool.
So when me go now, because for all I care, if the internet cut off for me, she call. If the phone not work in my house, I mean she call. Big man thing, Raga, me put on contribution towards the rent.
Yeah.
But my portion did bigger than fair portion.
Right.
Yeah, because you know you love a girl and you make sure so she are. Because that's what we men do, take care of woman.
Right.
So when me go so now, you know the little louver window them. I go, you know. You know the little louver window them. So me peeping in and the light lock off, you know, but me eye them so bright, me see movements.
Yeah.
When me look, me see two bottom are going in the bathroom, but me I say, Khadija, bottom not so big. So me I say, no man, I want to go. So me start bang down the place now and I make nice and things. So when it get out of control now, Raga, me say police turn up at the gate.
No, you miss out one part, you know.
Yeah, tell me the part of me miss out.
Yeah.
I look like I just go out the window.
No, me just remember you tell me, you know, I would never forget.
You know, have to go in details. The people them don't see me in a problem already. Me need to go in a more problem.
No, me just there's some parts where you did tell me where I just like almost fell over like part after part. Cause there was a part like when you say you start, you did a knock for them come out and them no want come out and then you get upset and you say, I want my girl, you know, I want my girl come out, come out. I want my woman, in there with my woman, I want my woman come out and thing. You know, remember that thing there where you say, and you say, you're not leave. Eh?
Yeah, but me I tell you, say, me did get boys trust and me demonstrate outside.
Yeah, and like them never want to come out and you decide, say, you're not leave. Yeah.
No, man, me not leave.
Wait 1 second. Somebody named Father Son 11 in the chat. About 10 times you ask a question, Ragashanti, do you believe in Obia? We are do something right now and things, so you know if you keep on and ask a question, me will answer it after here. But about 20 million times you ask me if I believe in Obia. I soon talk to you, right? Because it look like we can do some business and things, I may be able to help you. All right? I may be able to help you if you have, you know, if you need some kind of, you know, good Obia help and thing, just make sure you have your money and we can work out something. Cause we just tell away if you get leaf of life, Kananga water, rose water, turn your roll, dry banana, skin the whole thing, the parchment paper. Me tell you why you have to do. So nobody post and thing, we are going serve the services here. Go and talk, my brother. So yeah. Yeah.
I have to go over Genius Pharmacy, you can't go down a march.
Right.
Right, yes. But Raga, it was so traumatic that I really don't want to remember it word for word, you know.
Right. So
yes.
But yeah, the police them and things. So the police.
But when the police them come now and in fact it was safe to come out now. We stand up, me and the police stand up at the door after our canting and you know, she opened the door now and You know, she start paint a picture like me and I no in and nothing and to tell me for go on about my business long time already. A Raga, man no do not more than tell you all away good night.
Yes, the man walk past you.
Very manageable man.
Yeah, him walk past you and tell you good night and walk past you and
him say good night officers. Big up yourself, my boss.
Yeah, and you did say, I don't know if you remember this, but you did say at some point you kind of was able to discern, say, this man I was packing. Yes, I'm heavy and thing and whatever. And yeah, so after after I'm leave now, what happened now? Where you did say to him, Kedisha?
After I'm leave now, the police them say them not going to allow me to stay there because the lady is fearful of what I might do.
Right.
So them escort me to the gate. The man drive gone. So when the police them are going at the vehicle, me say, so squad, you can't leave me long.
So you beg the police them to drop down the road.
Yes. Squad, you can't leave me back down asylum.
You can't leave me back down asylum. Me as the police.
They say that's out of our jurisdiction, my boss. At Constant Spring work.
Okay.
So, man, say you can't find back your way, man.
People a long time, so we're telling, but people the way of fly did. They say no that people fly, just keep it on your way. A flight come tell we, you know, one, you know, what happened, no, body come tell me.
Probably never.
So when I went flight don't tell me say, then flight, you don't feel no weird like you come tell with this, say like, flight say, listen to me and your friend, and with them something that people love add and subtract. I better me tell you how we go. So by the time people come add and subtract, at least you hear it from me. That is what flight tell me. I never experienced anything like that yet.
And then to be honest, you know, Raga, is long after mental health becomes a serious problem, you know, because a lot of people go through these things and them don't have anybody to talk to about it, so they make undecisive decisions.
Right.
I wanted to get it off of me, so I tell one of the arms house crew, we can haunt me with it for the rest of my life, like what you're doing now.
No, but you know what? Well, on flight, you know this. We people, if you don't know, we say draw card for one another. We say draw card for one another. If we find out says this and that happen to, we say draw card for one another. Merciless to flight. You notice I've never bantered you about this.
No, and in all fairness, I know you're not looking at hype for your show or anything, but the reality of the situation is that could have been a mix-up that somebody could have called you to talk to you about and don't call any name, and it is me.
Watch ya. You know, you want me tell you at the beginning, I will leave people me give that the mix up. Them I not call your name. I just say one Jamaica. Me say one. You can ask TamFam. Me give them all. I say a well-known Jamaican celebrity wouldn't. All I want to know. I never call your name. People, the way you fly, they love this girl, you know, man. Cause we there at asylum late. So one night in a flight, I say, Raga, we are leaving. You know. I was a man, you know, like about 3-4 o'clock, you know. And flight say, drop me somewhere, you know. I'm a job flight. When I job flight, I remember flight tell us say I him pay most I rent, you know. People, you know, say flight go say, oh, she not there, you know. And then flight say, I'm not going to sit down on the wall. I say, hear me? No. I say, flying, what you mean, sit down on the wall? I'm going to sit down on the wall. Say, you don't know what she there? I don't know what she there. You don't know when the people man say, you don't know when she come back. I don't know when she come back. I hope for she come back quick and thing and what. So I say, people may attack road dead, you know. And flight can't go in a woman place, you know, where him pay most I rent for, you know. And flight I go sit down on the wall out on the street. And flight just never care. Flight is just like, listen to me, I sit down here and wait for her. You know. Mr. Fly didn't want me. No, I sit down right here. Go on, man. Me good, man. Me good. Your fly did it weak to her.
Confession is good for the soul, and you think a little time is me go up in a mango tree, go hide too.
You lie. You serious?
Yes, man, you have couple you know, for that area, they're very fruitful, you know.
So you say them have enough tree, though.
Yeah, man, what if a mango tree, East Indian and Julie tree up there and things.
Yeah. So you
more time for set up the trap, you have to hide in our mango tree, man. This guy is yourself.
Yeah.
And every little light you see pass the gate, you're looking for the set to stop.
Fly, you did that watch a pum pum, man. Fly, there was a pony watchman, you know. But look on the brighter side. Tony Mataran say, when people did that tease Tony Mataran and I tell him, say, yeah, watch it from Tony Mataran say, yes, may I watch it. Good pum pum forget stark. You know, remember when Mataran did say that? Mataran said, good pum pum forget stark. Right? That must say this, so you did that.
Raga. Me, you know, people money pull up select in a dance.
For do what?
Pull up a song in a dance.
Which song?
No, I say, you know, say people pay selector to pull up a song.
Pull up song, yeah.
Me pay a selector. Me pay a selector not to play back the song.
Which song?
Well, bad man, now watch, girl. We know what you to win a Lebanon shot. Yeah, man. Tell him, so brother, not play back that song there, brother.
People, all right, I can't tell you, you know, people, as much as me and Fly did close, you know, Fly never know my business, you know, but he knows me did a do road, though. You know, cause me sneaking, you know, not even my friend, them me tell what me I do, you know. Them just know, say one Raga sneaking and whatever, and boom. I mean, I tell you when Fly out there at night, I say, Fly, I tell you if you live your life in a dog, but you can't make no woman have you out your weight, so and all them things. And Fly say, me a business. Love is love. Love is love. You understand? When Fly love them, Fly, you still stay so can them when I call no other name. But when you love deep enough, Fly, you go in, you know, without apology, you know, hiding, try for sugarcoat, you just tell her, say, no, I'm in love with that person, I'm a lover and thing like that. You still stay so?
No, over the years that I have evolved into a more.
We're talking iPhone. Hello? Oh, I think I look a connection issue there. You know I go with WhatsApp people, so. Boy, those were the days. But at least if him not come back and thing, I would tell us a flight I got about Sunday afternoon over Big Yard scene for the.
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, me I hear you now. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that. I was leaving the house, so it changed over from the Wi-Fi to the cellular.
Yeah, that happened.
Right, so after, and I want to tell you, Raga, you know, she has become my best friend to today.
You serious?
Yeah, man, me about 3 vehicles, and sometime when she rent out for her car, them she call me and give me 2 rental and things.
Oh, very nice. It's always a good thing when people get back, you know, go through the thing.
Yeah, man, we sit down and we laugh about it, and she tell me about Friday I go like you did see them time there and all of that thing, you know.
Well,
she always finish the conversation by saying, well, you could have watched me, you know.
Yeah. But Flight, you know, I mean, big up on the thing on there and whatever. But remember in a Flight, she was proper hot girl, you know, man. Like, proper hot girl. Young hot girl.
Raga, you know, say, you can't done everything, you know. Leave some of my Mixup for next time, man.
Yes, okay, all right, no problem.
Remember, whole heap, you know, you can't reload any. All right, now, me know, say, it line hot, you know.
What?
Let me know, say, the line hot, you know, people are here more of Flight business.
No, man, then good, man. And you know, say, me not let go certain things, so you don't have to worry about, you know, boom, bam, bam.
No, man.
Yeah.
A time I go come when things happen, you know.
You see it.
I can't shame now, I will get Raga member now. Every Blacker Ellis told me this when I just started comedy. In order for you to be a successful comedian, always talk about the things that happen to you.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yes.
And right now that you have what's the right word to use? That you have, plow up this kind of conversation. I am going to take this situation and put it into my comedy skit.
You should.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because there's some other things in it where you did say to me know that nice it up to or whatever. And later on, if you want to call me privately or whatever, I can remind you some of the things. Because you did hear some sound, Well, you did say you hear some. But you did hear some specific sound where you did react to, and I said, but no, sir, I fear her voice that, but me never hear she make them sound. I'm not hear no more. Our flight, just give me some latitude. But me said I want the flights a Raga. When me there at the front and here, me just walk around on the side of the house, go down to see me a flight say, and Raga, me start hear me here and make some sound, but me I said, but no fear of yes, I fear of voice that Jesus can I walk me to her, and somebody I do something. Flight say,
Raga, when I tell me think that he's blocking in the panel,
flight say, when I tell him hear the sound, at first, I say, no, sir, but so like somebody had choke her in the answer. And then flight when they realize you're not choke her and think they fly. Come when flight, I tell the flight, I'm not taking them straight face, I tell him, but it's your flight now, no. And when me realize she not choke, she choking, and when me hear a whole heap of breath and look morning, I come back, I say, no, sir, she can't moan so sweet, and I choke, she choke. And I say, but she never make them the sound there with me. It's how she make them sound in the ear fly now. Me I wonder if she did have one look vibrator and never tell me. My God, I'm nearly dead.
Every time, in them time, like every time I go for a mission, what I finish more and go sleeping.
My God, man, I tell you, man, when flight done, it's a flight. I've never experienced somebody come just like them get done and them just come tell me everything what happened to them and no hold back, them no fix up, them no try nice it up and what fly just tell you raw thing and whatever. I say, big and serious dog, you feel comfortable, tell me all of them something what happened to you.
No, but Raga.
Yeah.
Look at it this way. Remember me come tell Unu,
Yes.
But cameraman come tell the world.
Who? Cameraman.
Ask somebody in a comment who is cameraman.
Who is cameraman?
Yeah, who is then we tell you who is cameraman.
Yes, I can't tell the world. But
no, man, alright. Let me just say, big up cameraman and big up cargo.
Left it right there, sir.
Alright.
Left it right there, sir.
So that may I show you, sir. And if I didn't know it happened to me, I see him when would have come tell Uno, but would go past social media with it.
Oh, okay.
Me not carry my business to social, and in a them time, they will never have no Instagram or TikTok anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, Raga, remember there's a well-known MC where bash me go and bash me coming up. But guess what? Who laugh last the best.
Yeah. But remember saying they come out for me too.
Exactly. I see that. Which part me there now? I am in a better place. I can go in and out of America when I want. That's all I would
say. Wait, somebody tell you something, man. But remember saying they come out for me too and dress up in a full military gear, but him want clash me.
5,090.
Right. So flight.
Yeah.
You know, remember Sting when he moved to me and thing and whatever. First, he did move to me at Dozer show over Dozer thing over country and thing. I me just ignore that. You know, remember I moved to me and Sting like and about we want clash me and about Ragashanti and whatever. I say I like that name. Some woman need for weird jars with my face on it. I want me to you. And when he moved to me and Sting and whatever, I go so boom. I must take out about 50,000. I say you're hungry, go on and this and kill that. You know, remember me kill him.
Yeah, man.
I say you're hungry. I'm going to say, boom, I take out a 50 pack. I say, go on. Sting, turn over in there. I say, go on, you're hungry. Go on. Move your bum, but go on. Hungry belly boy. And
yeah, man.
And done that. I just throw money upon him, sir. I said, pay some money. I want some money. They go on. People, them time, they'll be everywhere, keep up doing it. And them time, they are junk and everything, you know, because we're not back from nobody, you know. The only people me back from. People, me I tell you, the only time me back from people at one time, when I'm one little man, I go out me whenever this and that, and like my instinct just say easy, you know. And me just humble myself, and the man I style me up and humble myself. Only if you see the man at the time walk across the road and go stand up beside a certain gentleman who at the time, only know him as a different name, but we know him, which part we come from, we know him as Short Man. You know who that fly?
Right.
You know who that, right?
Yes, man.
Him soon come a road, you know. A couple of years soon he come a road.
From down at the Hope Garden.
Hope Garden. Yeah, Hope Garden.
Yeah, Hope Garden. And when you go down there, there's a lot of hope, you know.
A lot of hope. And also a lot of rope.
Yeah. And if they don't smoke ganja, then it must be taking coke.
Yeah, it must be taking coke, and who know who get it and thing and whatever. But me I say people them time they war man and thing and whatever. Him come for me, man. Him come for me at Dozer show when me MC Dozer show too and thing and that. Remember him did that war the two of we, you know, because but why? Why him did that war it? Why him did that war fly? Why?
Because we were on the rise and he was relevant.
Man. Our thing did a shot them time, man. I want me to tell you, man, Mixup and Blenda, Ragashanti, Mixup and Blenda in a national arena and crazy thing and whatever, year after year and this and that.
What we locked down the original mass camp.
Jesus Christ, with a clash there, a big clash there with Shibada and
up until this day, and you bring the biggest crowd in our mass camp.
Thank you. Right?
Up until today, undoubtedly.
Miss Molly tell me that.
Yeah,
she
man.
said,
I've never seen so much
people in a mass camp yet. Then we'd have to turn back people.
Yes, man.
Fly them time, their money are running and fly. They see all I show the fly between me and 20 odd million to make up for that show.
That for real, Raga?
Yeah.
Raga, what 5,000
No, I never 5,000 me give fly. You get more on that. But flight, talking God truth. Who pay you when you are going and you shock and say, well, I never this we agree to and whatever. Talk it truth where God love flight. Talk it truth. Out of your mouth, talk it truth.
No, one thing with the feeling, you know, and the time you start with second price, you know. And you make a money all the way nice, you know.
You see it.
All the way nice. And I remember you go to Hartford, Connecticut again to create history of Weaver High School, you know.
That's right. Those were the
Remember,
days.
after the show of Weaver High School, no more show no people Weaver because the school sink, you know.
Oh, man, I know about that.
Yeah, man, the school, it sink after that, man.
Oh, man, I know.
Remember that piece of crowd that were the descent from Weaver High School, man, I tell you.
Those were the days.
Well, I never say you really cause it to sink, you know.
No, you can't say.
Right. Well, you can't because, you know, with our America run, I know the legal team will come at you right now.
Anyway, me I look for Sunday, me I go link you and thing about, you know, forward Sunday and thing for the cook-off and things. So basically, the TamFamers, them I go cook Sunday dinner. So we're going to call it Big Yard Sunday dinner food fest, right? And basically them are just cook them food regular and them are go post picture of them food and thing and whatever. And we are go, you know our things still. We just juggle and we just go with the flow and the magic happen, all right?
Yeah, man. And the number started 516, yeah?
Your number.
Yeah, man, 516. Yeah, so if you see my message you have 5.
Yeah.
Just go in at the app and say, what is this for?
All right, Papa, that's our word, man. Respect and honor, yeah?
I respect for the call, man. It was a pleasure, man. I pick up your listeners, them, and pick up the TamFam, them.
Straight. All right, Papa, protection, cool.
And we used to mix up in a blender to the world.
Long time, entertainment, fullness.
Alright, so just make this serious until one next 3 months they can revamp it again.
Make what?
Make that conversation that we have earlier on.
Yeah.
Get little time for dead out and then after 3 months they can revamp it again.
Yeah, we draw back for the flight get born, the flight born mix up. All right, now say a word.
And tell the people them to go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Bossy Boy Flight.
They are hearing you. Well, the one in my TikTok are hearing you. Tell them, okay, all right.
Yeah, man. Tell them follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Bossy Boy Flight.
Instagram and TikTok at Bossy Boy Flight. Bossy Boy Flight.
Right.
And them spell it BOASY. And I know a lot of Jamaicans, I don't know why, but on the love for spell Bossy, Bossy. I don't know where they get it from, but I know Sophie one spell, all right? It's Bossy Boy Flight.
Right.
And by the way, I made the game that name there because I refused to call him Pretty Boy Flight at the time.
You're drunk, yo.
Yes, I'm not calling a pretty boy. But I see one video one time there, one show one thing and Sizzler said to you, said, no, I'm not call a Pretty Boy Flight neither, you know. Yeah, I see Dada say, no, call a Pretty Boy Flight.
No, but me not going to respond to me, but if I look behind me, the amount of bubble me see me just accept it.
No, the bubble, them would have beat out your nastiness, man. You humble yourself or whatever, you know. All right, man. I say a word, man. Respect, man. Cool. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man. Right away, I want to apologize to the YouTube people them again because, again, the YouTube people weren't hearing Floyd because I come out of the WhatsApp. Now, the last time since I come back, is a whole different setup I have here. I'm not telling them my business, but all kind of things it go down and whatever. So we build back and we have a whole different setup here and thing. And but when I see me slowly unfold some little something. I don't even gone over the Ragashanti Facebook page yet. Because I do it one at a time and little something and thing or whatever, you know. And so the last time since I come back, the WhatsApp never did even up. So I line up that and line it up with my new call system where my arm calls and I see me take phone calls again and things like that. But there's some configuration that has to go on with the WhatsApp to align it with the audio of the mixer through where all of the sound going. Who know about signal routing in them something, them who don't know exactly what I talk about, who don't know about them something that it may sound like a foreign language to know. But just know so basically me just have to go do some local configuration and things. So again, more apologize to the YouTube people and things for sounding not ear flight out of the WhatsApp. So I'm not gonna fix that. All right, that is that. I apologize.
No, close, Raga.
Oh, I go on alien too cute. You beard?
No, me just lock up your shop and me not that bearding thing. Then me soon talk to you about it.
Okay. Yeah.
Just lock up the shop and me go in the bathroom go pee and the same thing what the woman say me do it 5 times. Quint it let out, 5 times.
What you do that a while ago when you pee?
Yes, can me never hear about it yet.
So wait, you just do it because you hear about it?
Yes.
So a while ago when you pee, you squeeze, you quint it and let
5 times.
5 times and release.
Yeah.
So you work the muscle. So when you quint it and think the pee stop.
Stop. So you must stop Raga and then me let out. And me stop again.
Yeah.
Let out.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
Let out. Me hold it little bit enough for about 3 seconds.
Wow.
Yeah.
Right.
And it feel nice.
No, so Dr. Mac are running with her enough self, but that's not new. Like say, if I something did for new, you just hear about it and I do it.
To me, because when
exactly.
me was me just let out.
Alien, you're frightening me. Alien, you're frightening. Alien, you're frightening me a while ago, you know. You're frightening me a while ago, you know. You're frightening me a while ago, banana. You're frightening me a while ago. What's wrong with you?
Yeah. One big let out, me let out. Me never know say if in out. So new to me, Dr. Man. New.
Dr. Mac, yeah.
Yeah, and them say the longer you live, the more you learn.
Exactly, I understand and think so.
And Ragashanti tell me say a baby can't teach you.
That's right. You can learn from anybody, you see?
Yeah, man.
Anybody. And then, so when you do that exercise, and now it's a form of Kegel exercise, too. That's a man did name Dr. Kegel, I come up with it. And them thing, they strengthen up your thing, man, and tighten up your thing and give you more control over the muscles and all them something there, okay?
Yeah.
So you see, like how you are doing it now, you probably have more control over your one than Dr. Mac. Probably Dr. Mac can't even control for your one, you know? You understand. So I don't know what she come at her about, but that is not nothing new for hunting, yeah.
And for the new student to a bonfire time. The bon time girl.
She own it too. Yeah.
She say fear a cousin or sister live in England because she ready to beat Miss K. So I lie Miss K, I tell to Miss K say she have to beard before she go work, and when she come from work, she have to beard.
Yeah, she did that take her around for true. She did that take her around for true. So what you say?
Right. And she has say her cousin or her sister that England and a beard and something that she can ease. And nasty the cousin nasty raga no matter water cool like ice, living ice. Raga, you feel wash, not you, ladies, even get one bucket and wash your crotches and your arm. You're not supposed to catch ease because you're not beard. Wash the crotches and the arm. Enough time, Raga, me not hide my conscience. Water cool like ice. But me have to wash my crotches and my arm. Because you know, and you brush your teeth. That different. Because you know, so them places they smell in a Raga.
Really?
Your foot back now go smell, your leg now go smell, your hand nigga now go smell, Raga. But your crotches and your body and your mouth smell. So ladies, no matter water cool or no feel for beard, wash your crotches.
Okay, so CBM.
So nasty,
right, Elaine?
Nasty.
Wait, before we get to that, CBM. Crotches, body, and mouth, right? CBM.
Yes.
CBM, yes. Okay.
Yes.
So, but what if the cousin, I don't know if you pick it up, you know, but the cousin apparently did in one delicate situation where she never have certain mobility and thing never balance out and straight. So apparently the cousin was in some constrained position where she couldn't move what she wanted to do. And usually when people in them position, they particularly if them just come off her.
How she brush her teeth?
Well, me don't know, me never did it, but me just say sometimes
people do. Raga, if soap up the Raga and wipe out my crotches.
Well, at that, me ask her, so me say she couldn't look at water and tidy or something, you know? and whatever. So I wonder about that too, you know.
Because
But what I'm saying, no, me know people come up here and barefoot, you know, and find themselves in a condition where they must say, I don't mean this, you know, I'm a want to do this and can't do this, you know, whatever. So I like sometimes, you know, sometimes something reach some people and thing and they must say, boy, I just know me need for someone so I can't even someone to become me affair, whatever. But me see what you said though, like
Raga not take
much.
In a some deep condition, Raga, to wash your punani.
Yeah, because basically I said if you have access to water, you must find somewhere if you can at least wipe out something or, you know. Yeah, go on with a look of wipings or something like that. You see what you say, yeah. Yeah. Because I know people tidy out tobacco. A common thing that a Jamaican. Yeah, people tidy out tobacco, get a bottle of water and then throw it, and then do the look of thing and what we see that all the while. People tidy right out tobacco.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Mm.
Yeah, man.
So you think so the cousin never did, the cousin just never did one clean?
Nasty. And she just threw up herself and say anything or anything.
Okay,
Raga, my front not supposed to scratch me. Unless you know a regular scratch right up on the top here, so that scratch me. So you understand? Regular scratch.
Wait, you have a regular front scratch?
Yes, man. Like, like how your back could have scratch you, so you scratch you. Regular front scratch. Not in the wall, not supposed to scratch me.
Okay, so you have a regular, like your hand a scratch or your back a scratch.
Yes,
like the top of your front is a regular top front scratch.
Right on the top, yes, so just a scratch, scratch it. So, see there?
Not only that, worse if you shave and the ear them just a grow back down.
None of that.
Then no Yeah, them thing they but no inside. No interior scratch.
No.
Exterior scratch. Exterior scratch. No interior scratch. Okay, no interior scratch.
Me too. Me not have the big word thing like you. Me call it regular scratch.
No, that's fine. Just keep it right. That's okay. You know, I keep up my arms those both when me make my talk about you see.
And you know, see me text and say if you ask pretty boy fly 1 month in ban.
January.
Okay.
January in ban. January the damn look rich ban, you know.
Oh.
January in ban. Yes. Why?
No, true, you say him love deep and them something them I think am I month in ban.
And your month of what again?
Mia Raga, Mia.
Okay. What date again?
Gemini, the 21st.
The 21st, Gemini.
Yes, my love.
With the April going to May, a Gemini, right?
So them say. But me know me a Gemini, me and a Leo, me and a Sagittarius, me and a Scorpio, me a Gemini. If me turn into an animal, I am a rabbit.
Why? What about rabbit? What align with you? What go with you?
No, I choose something. Some people them are cow, some people are pig, some people are horse. If them turn into an animal, me is a rabbit.
But alien, you know, say no other animal out there grind more than rabbit.
Me not talk about grind quiet.
No, but me I bring it up. Did you know?
All right.
You never hear the term when people say, "Oh man, well, you just effing like rabbits." Rabbit. You never hear that term there.
No,
you never hear people say,
grind and say you breed like rabbits.
So them breed. What kind of for breed? What them do for breed?
Them breed quick.
No man, rabbit them ever on it. Rabbit non-stop on it.
Me not tell no lie, Raga. Me not tell no lie. Me love grind. Me always on it, but I feel one man. Me not really understand me.
Yeah.
Run up and down. If me have my man.
Yeah.
Me want grind right through.
Right through with your man. Yeah, Farrin, you have your man, you want grind right so.
Raga, from me have my man, no matter how me tired and if in touch me, as long as me, you know, me not see me period and them something because some nasty human have sex in a period, you know, me not depend that.
You know,
Raga, me a definitely close pin when it come on to my man.
Man, yeah.
God know, true.
For my listeners up here who sometime when I hear the thing I wanna write me and say, but you never explain that to me, you know, so we are learn and whatever. Jamaican have a saying that it's actually supposed to be a derogatory saying, you know, for women who love sex. It's like them coming like clothespin. I just squeeze them legs, them open. I just, as soon as I just squeeze the clothespin open for your hand and whatever. So them say some woman coming like clothespin. Squeeze them and then legs them open. So you're clothespin for your man as soon as in touch. But no, Elaine, you know, say enough woman, you know what woman explained to me? Some woman explained to me. Them say, them will not feel for sex at all by themselves. They like them not want it at all. And them say as soon as a man come around them not stop want it. And as soon as they could have tired and I drop down. Me know a woman, you know, me can't forget Amy, you know. When I say Amy a drop down, you know, man, the flu mash up Amy weak out, you know. Amy husband, you know, police at the time, you know, wall up Amy, you know. And me and Don did it. I said, John, what Amy will never see us so yet, man. John, what Amy with that you want to help you carry on and whatever. And Amy they pan. You know, Amy can't. You know, I can't. Well, man, you know, you have to come, come here, I never go fuck down. Elaine, me shock. So Tim, me say, hear me what you say? You say, what so me say, hear me respectfully, and then I get treatment right, you know, anything could happen to you, could have there the emergency room. And Amy was just like, please the F off and thing. Yeah, me sick bad. But I know I'm PUSSY sick. It not sick. It still, that is what Amy say. Amy say, come carry it on. We are going F right now. Yo, different somebody them man. Different somebody them man. Some woman play with that something them man. You know, not care where them I go through. Never say no. Straight green light. From a you them rate and thing, then I just come on non-stop. Do it. You understand?
You have some woman again, you know, woman and man, them say them can't do the long, what you call it, like the man that Farrin and them that Jamaica.
Long distance relationship.
Me can do that, Raga, because me no make my punani control me, you know, and me control my punani.
Okay, all right then.
And me go without sex is 6 years.
6 years? 6 years. Well on, people. Double Act Tracy still in our chat? Double Act Tracy still in our chat? She there, right? Tracy Bless, you still in our chat? She need to hear this, you know. Because, you know, like you say, you know, make your punani rule you and think if you're a punani ruler, you understand?
No, Saraka. We have to know.
But Elaine, remember say you're 6 years, you go 6 years, but you did still have Pink Floyd.
But Pink Floyd not real.
Yeah. I know, but you did get a little release though.
Yeah, but me talk with real man.
Right. But your thing still different from woman who just go years and do not get no, don't even use them finger or nothing. You know, you have some woman still so, you know.
That's true.
You know, there's some woman still so. And there are some woman like Blessed, no, them have some innocent face and thing, you know, but them have, you know, bad, you know, bad and thing and anything, and once you catch them on the slide, them now put it out there like that, make you know so them juggle so, you know, you understand? Yeah. But once you catch them on the slide, man, and them say ever ready, Blessed stay so. Blessed definitely stay, so me know that you can't deny it. And if blessed in our chat right now, and then you can't say, yeah, Raga, blessed. Post in the chat and say, yeah, Raga, true, yeah, tell. Let me see if you see that she say, yes, Raga, yeah. Yes, blessed, let them know. Yes. Yeah, blessed pose and say, yes, Raga, oh, you mean? Make them know, yes.
Me can't sing by myself, Raga. Me try and me can't turn on myself.
You can't do it?
No, me try it already and no work out.
Listen, you know, I know since you don't know what, you know, I know something like, the way most women do it, you know, them not actually put in them finger, you know.
Them put it on the clit.
Yeah, but the one them who know them I do them put it between the finger and them rub the side first. You can't go upon it. Usually, from what I have read.
Raga,
right?
me can't feel nice. It's better when a man a do it, man. Me skin me teeth.
No, any ever know, but you see, I truly am a sister, you know, because you see a man like me, you know, me love for y'all teach women for pleasure themselves, you know.
Oh.
Yes, man, me teach women for do that, man, right? But a woman teach me certain things. Yes, but all me I do, me I pass on the knowledge. But listen, Elaine, what you gonna do one time when you're there by yourself? Wait, Miss Baby now hear me.
No, she upstairs.
Okay. One time when you're there by yourself, man, you see that something right there, Elaine, what you gonna do? You're not gonna go directly upon it, you know. When you just start, so you know, really too nice, you know. Mm-hmm. So what you gonna do now, you're gonna put your finger them around it, so and rub down around it, you know. Rub down around it, all right? Yeah. And then one little lubrication start going, you slide down, wet your finger get wet up a little bit and you come up. But you're not going to rub hard, you know. It's going to look like you rub hard. If somebody look them and look like you rub, but you're not rub hard, you know, but you just kind of smooth upon the top, right? Mm. And it's not a rub, it's a glide. Yeah. You say, you understand what I say?
Look what you do and you teach me. So me I say, yeah. When so you teach somebody,
and a rub yet, you know, and a rub yet, you know, and a rub yet, you know, it's a glide, it's a smooth glide, and you go and glide. And then when you do that now, you have to think about something where you enjoy. You know, something where you enjoy or somebody where you enjoy or whatever. You just do that and thing and you concentrate on that and thing. Alien, and a man make woman come, you know. Man help woman to make themselves come. Yeah, and a man make woman come. Man help woman to make themselves come, right? Because women, that thing are different for woman than man, you know, because we would just pop off. A woman, very often, it's kind of mental for them and thing or whatever. So you see, when you're there, I do that smooth thing, you know, it's going to get nicer and nicer, and when you're going to find, say, y'all start wind up on your finger. That can't happen, you know? And you just go and rub it and think. But the main thing, though, you have to think about something, you know. You have to think about something. Yeah, man. Most women who do it, them a think about something, and a woman concentrate themselves for coming. Yeah, one woman called one time and said, no, she don't want the man to chat too much and think because women have to concentrate for make themselves come. You understand what I'm saying? So you see, when you did that room now and think, and every now and then now, what woman do, them just slide on them finger and get it wet up again and come up. But that is just for, them not really into that, in something there. When women do them pleasure, them not into, that is not like, you know, them just go down there, look a bit and get up, but them always come back up and thing. And the thing is, rub around and look at something there and thing and whatever. Now, most of the time, the something they cover.
Yeah.
You don't want to uncover it, you know. Yeah, so in general, you know, some women can't help it because no two of them, they are the same. So some women have some big one, you see? Big one. And some of them uncover, you know, like almost like circle answer. But in general, them cover. But you have to just kind of rub with the cover and thing and whatever. Now, when you get down to, when it get nice now, it may uncover itself. Depending on how your things steer. Are some women, they will uncover it, but when it I get down to the nitty gritty, and then them start, at that time them start rub, them start glide. At that time them start rub. And then most women now, when them a rub and it a happen, then squeeze their leg and squeeze up your finger together, but you know, yeah, when they get sweet, then squeeze their leg and then squeeze up their leg together and all then sit it there and whatever. Right, you ever watching I chat? No woman can tell me something I don't know what I chat about.
Well,
Then me know exactly what I chat.
the first time I do it, Raga, me not get nowhere. I just run going at the kitchen because Bev always buy the banana by the bunch. And I go pop off and finger banana, slide on a condom pan that. And I work it. Them time the pink fly now in the picture yet. Yeah.
Green banana. Green banana.
Green banana, couldn't the ripe one.
You have some just right banana were firm, man. But yeah, a green banana.
Green one. The green, hard and stiff one. It's a peel in a Raga.
Yeah.
And just slide on a condom pan that.
And deal with it, Billy.
Work it, yeah.
See that what you do with a banana then when you're done?
My choice in I been.
Okay.
My choice where? I'm not saying it's easy.
Well, I only banana you never work with like a plant yet.
No, banana.
No, you know. Just banana.
Never do a planting and me never do a cucumber.
You never do a cucumber. Fox do all of them then. No, serious. Fox do all of them then. Fox are Fox.
Did I tell about the Roland too? And the Roland boss me.
Are you serious? The Roland buckle boss you?
It's sweet. Because I roll in a blow on it ticklish.
Wait. The Roland buckle at that boss and it's sweet and nice and ticklish.
The boss me ticklish.
Yeah.
Sweet, nice because it just a roll. Yo. Me not tell you the Roland one, it's Raga, me can't explain the sweetness there.
No, but how you feel the rolling if the condom on pan it roller?
No condom never depend the roller.
When it did a boss,
you? No condom pan the roller there when me just start work with the roller and buckle.
So well, then that means that when you're done, then the whole of your pum pum smells sweet then.
Then I must. Remember, it's Raga. It's empty still in a but you know something still. No man, because something we still in it.
It's still in it,
yeah. But it's empty.
Okay, because the other thing too that those are antiperspirants, so them dry up whatever. So
right.
Okay. But so it look like a Roland buckle enough bust enough woman then man.
Enough woman I bust them the Roland buckle.
You know much time when me hear Roland buckle, the only thing where surprised me over that was a shower head. You know, say enough woman do the shower head, Ilya.
Okay.
Woolly, like the shower head is a thing. It's like a thing out there amongst the woman them. If you work with the shower head, enough woman them use a shower head bust them. But I roll on, you don't remember my name, I roll on buckle. You don't remember my name, right?
No man, I didn't cheap Roland.
One cheap Roland. Okay.
Yeah, the one with it. Then one time I'm $250 for them now. So one time maybe $100 for them.
Okay.
Some are feeling fresh. You have feeling fresh. And you have black suede. And other names.
Oh, okay. Feeling fresh, black suede, and other names. Okay, all right. Sound good, I think. But boy, I go see how do your thing. So when you do the Roland now, Because you old school, you put it in, don't?
No, Raga, that never have to go in. You just have it to roll it.
I roll it pan the little something there, don't?
Yes, man.
Oh, and that just nice. That's when it did a roll pan it, don't?
Sweet.
Jeez, you didn't squeeze the back like when you're papa.
Avon, roll on.
What, Avon?
Yeah.
Yeah, step up now. When you're going up in an Avon product, you think up, you know, yeah, go up in there, yeah, step up in there. Somebody in the chat say, I'm her. She said, I have to go try that. Go see her later when the show done.
It's bad, so my virginity, a real man take my virginity, and then roll on buckle, and then banana, and then Pink Floyd.
Real man, roll on buckle, banana and then Pink Floyd. And then Pink Floyd run the thing for a while. But you look like Pink Floyd, they about longer than all of them, though.
Me not tell us 10 years.
10 years now, Pink Floyd, a juggle and thing and whatever. Boy, Pink Floyd, a veteran in that thing, you know, Pink Floyd, you know you're better than anybody else, you know, I tell you, know. Yeah, Alfaria and Pink Floyd I come from, you know, enough ups and down and Pink Floyd, no pun intended, ups and down. Get it? Corny joke. Yeah. Enough ups and down, Pink Floyd, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Oh, and Pink Floyd. Yeah. Through thick and thin. All right. Yes, man. Pink Floyd know the thing. You understand? Yes, this is the boss. You see.
I can't wait to run over big yard to show them Pink Floyd.
So what I know? So Sunday. Yeah, you go over big yard Sunday.
Yeah, I want to go over there.
You not cook nothing.
Out.
You not cook nothing Sunday.
And me normally, alright, sometimes on Sunday daytime, I babe come from church, come cook.
Right.
Before she come, maybe whip up something for eat.
Whip up something,
because you know me not go stay for the whole day hungry.
Right.
So me can whip up even little mackerel and rice.
Remember, you know, you know, yes, man, because that me go tell you right, you know, somebody may come with stew, beef and chicken and whatever and thing and whatever, and just them may go do something wrong with flap them sure. You understand?
And the mackerel and rice, kick with them foot.
And kick with them foot, man. You understand? Yeah. You can, you know. I saw them thing. It's all about creativity and imagination.
I know, man.
It's all about creativity. Say you do mackerel and rice now, and y'all make sure say you put out some red scotchy in it and some yellow scotchy in it, and you nice it up certain way and make it look certain way and whatever and thing and this, and before you know it, boom, y'all kick where me go say Kimberly, but she can't cook. Y'all kick where Shelley Cunningham foot. You understand? And Cookie Man just can't cook, but Nikki can't cook. Right? And so, you know, it's all about presentation because we're not going to get to taste the food. So it's all about presentation. So we're going to look forward to that. But Sunday, I look forward to that to see the food, them and things like that. Yeah, I'm going to make a bad juice and thing because, you see, after Christina said juice, she'll make, you know.
Yeah.
Me, I going to make a juice. And when them see my juice, me I tell you anything like that. Christina juice career done. Nobody not gonna want fair juice again. Fair juice I go steal juice that. And when them see my juice, them are gonna say, we don't want to see your juice, Christina, cause it must rancid. We know say Jamaica not to use back that word there anymore. But no, but can't tell them a thing and whatever. I want me to you. What you mean what kind of juice me I make, sir? I go roll up Billy upon the people and make them head hurt them. I want me to you, but wait there. Don't do it again, Ilian. Don't do it again. You like you want me for sure me cards them and thing. No, me can't show me cards them and thing. Me come Dr. Max, save me some of your juice, Raga. You know.
Yeah.
Embarrassing, man.
Easy.
Yeah, bad like a yes, yeah.
Yeah, read right between the line.
What? Oh, yes, right between where?
Right between the line.
Okay, yeah, I this me love read
With
to
Dr. Mac and the juice.
Yeah, me
You
love
know
read
so
between.
me miss that girl.
Who?
That girl from England, the girl.
The girl?
Yeah,
me touch base with her one day and thing, and she tell me say she good, man. She good. And,
Okay. I
she deal with
want
some
me,
things.
a long time me not hear the truck driver one name, not Chumpy, Romian.
Romian, him there about man. Romian good, man.
Big up yourself, Romian. A long time me not hear you.
Romian good, man. Him there about Romian, him actually quiet, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, he's actually a quiet youth, man. But me tell you, that boy works 7 days a week, you know, man. He work hard. And me love how him take care of family. Me love them. Me love man who just enjoy a day for them family. Me respect them, man, there, you know. And I him that, you know, solid youth, man, solid youth. But he's a really humble, quiet. Him a Norval, you know Norval?
No.
Yeah, man, Norval a long time TamFam. Him come to TamFam get together and him drive truck to and them something there, whatever.
Okay.
But then, you know, Norval they all cook too, you know. Upon the first TamFam get together, him and Pupa Ants did cook and thing and
last
and
night me hear you say something, Ragani, grieve me. Me love when man spoil me. Like,
you what?
Me love when man spoil me. Me love when man treat me like a egg.
No, what you hear me saying? What you hear me saying?
Like you are saying, like did me remember I go like you that say the man, Charaga man, you know what you say? Like you said the man them want like, oh my
so when man I get in with woman and I look woman and I get in with woman, me say
nothing too nice.
Them nothing too nice. Them nothing overly nice. What wrong with them?
Me love when they're nice, Raga. Me love it.
No, I understand what you're saying. No, but what I'm saying, dude, and it doesn't apply to everybody. You know, woman love to say, oh, treat man like crap. At that time, them stay with you and want you, whatever. I just think that is a big, I think that is the biggest foolishness, you know. Yeah. Oh, you know, say, you see that the WhatsApp number ring me, I forgot. Okay, all right, man. We'll turn for see. They said WhatsApp need for configure out thing. So yeah, you know, so you have these women out there like the worse them treat man, or the more man want them and whatever. I have never heard that's the dumbest crap. No, treat me good. Treat me good. Treat me nice. Yeah, me want to treat nice. And me I go treat you nice though. Cause I'm supposed to. Okay, two of we are juggling. Me must treat you good. You must treat me. Don't come to me with no disrespect, boy. Yeah, I saw your treat, man, and whatever this and that. You know what I mean? I'm gonna join or something. So I understand what you say. But the point that I was making though is that you have some men, they can be so nice that in a way where they are weak. And women don't like weak men in general. Unless she has a particular type of personality where she wants a man who she can control and tell him what to do. But outside of that, in general, women don't like weak men. But most women want a man to treat them nice too. Most women want a man to treat them nice.
So you know, a man was so nice and him no weak.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But a lot of men who are very nice and them no weak. You have a lot of men who
them foot when foot on.
Exactly. And when woman and them can do it too without even being loud and verbose and whatever and things like that. You look for them. Yeah, I just tell her. You know, a woman come with that foolishness and you have someone who just say, you're not ready for talk to me. All right, so I'm going to allow you. Make you go and do your cussing when you're ready. You don't. You're not ready for talk to me yet. When you calm down, you can't come talk to me. And then the woman may be like, no, my wife, come argue with me. Cut me this and that. Tell me about me not ready. And the man will be like, and check her. You understand? But again, you know, you have some man out there who And the woman them recognize them nice, and be like, yeah, I would want a man to be that nice to him. But I'm saying you have a type of nice that is really grounded in desperation.
Okay,
right? You have a nice that is grounded in a weakness, motivated by desperation. Like, I can't set no boundaries for myself. I don't have an identity for myself. I cannot be self-determining. I just want to be a slave to you. And for women, it's like, no, but if you want to be such a slave to me and whatever, you can't control yourself. You don't have no discipline. You can't stand up and defend me when so and whatever, this and that, cause you're weak, you know. Yeah. So other nice them you talk about. Okay. And you have men out there who are like that, you know. And then the thing too, women, when woman want to know who this man is, if she fit there with him or whatever, this and that, women test men. And most of the time, woman test man is not a conscious thing. Them not say, oh, I'm going to test him. It's just something happen and them just responding and way. And then based on how the man they respond to what she do, if him respond like a boy or an idiot or somebody who's triggered or somebody who's reactionary or somebody who's not solid and them something there, whatever, this and that, then you come over weak.
Yeah.
You come on weak and woman may juggle with you, take a thing off for you or whatever, go on a couple dates with you and with them know say you're weak and thing. But in terms of day with you, if I walk with you upon road and say, see my man and whatever this, most of them want a man with who them not respect. You understand? I have some man nice to the point where so nice that it's just, him not stand up for himself or whatever. Him just like a slave to her and thing. Woman I like them something that I want involved in man. Unless them is a man with them and say, all right, he must send on the money so that me just go and take your money and find and thing. Yeah, so they may just like, give him look a nice talk and thing and whatever. Me I'll bust him one time too and then box him in the face and say, nobody tell nobody and tell nobody and yeah, understand. But in general, woman I want that man, women, in general, you have women who do certain things where them no want to do for survive, but, or them in love with somebody and them I go through with them for years and they reach a point where things just rocky and whatever and them still do it. But in general, though, all things being equal, if a woman is pretty much have, she not hungry or whatever, and she have her bed and she not out in her cool or whatever. Most women, most women, I mean, a lot of women have what you call casual sex. No, but it's still somebody who them like and it's for them choice. It's like, no, I like the man, I want to sleep with him. But I want to date with him, I want to sleep with him. But in general, you have woman just need for have some kind of respect for the man we are going to lay down between our legs,
Yeah.
As opposed to man who can look on a woman and all him see is a vagina for him put him penis and still do it, sometimes. But a lot of women them can't really do it. Much woman date nice men who would just do the world for them and they want it to work because them said, this is the type of, that's how I want a man to treat me. But just now feel it and struggle with it because them can't respect the man.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
And last night, me and you asked a question to the man. He will do everything for you, give you this, respect you, everything, do everything, the world for you, and him poor.
Yeah.
And the rich man now disrespect you. You not see him till you and him a husband and wife or whatever and sleep out him.
Yeah.
That, but he still give you money because him rich.
Give anything.
Yeah.
Right. Which one you do? Which one you prefer for them?
People say them would stay with the rich man.
Rich
Rather
one,
than stay with my poor man. Me need dumpling and butter. Better must come one day. Seriously.
But what do you think about the woman? And the way one woman put it is like, if she got ball, she rather ball in a luxury car and a luxury house, ball in a Lamborghini. What do you think about that argument?
Well, I don't know. If she say Wait, you not say self-esteem low?
No.
You not say, me
No,
no
no,
know,
no, 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 no.
me no know, to each his own, you know. Me no know what to say about she because she know why she want cry now and long buggy and you not happy. My happiness come first. That's why
You're happy. Okay.
me read the songwriter was say, I'd rather be alone than be an
Wait there. Goldie, you get it wrong. You know, Goldie P7, I say alien going for the rich man. You know, listen. They are the opposite alien, say. All right, but go on, talk.
Yeah, me said that songwriter here, whosoever do is rather be alone than be unhappy. Raga, me rather stay by myself.
Right.
Unhappy, I swear. Yeah.
Seeing.
Me no in no foolishness with no man again. I cry at night time. And every sleep, you look on the door, you well want to hear the key turning at the door. Sometimes no key no turn on at all in the door.
And a stress and anxiety upon you, don't you see it? Yeah. That's why me say, yeah, that's something. That's why me say the greatest burning song, you know, the greatest burning song ever made, you know, is Left in the Dark, you know, Barbara Streisand. You know? Yeah, you know that song there, right? Left in the Dark.
Yeah, me hear it, but
and she have scenes in that what you just describe and whatever. I've never heard anything in 3 minutes, 4 minutes, really capture the psychological ups and downs and contradictions and confusions like that song there. It's like, yeah, that's stress something there and whatever, you know?
Yeah.
But I'm with you doing an alien, believe it or not, you know, because me and one of them, you know how much woman me date and people like, where, should I match you or whatever, I don't pay them no mind and whatever. Me know why me talk to her, right? You understand? Yeah. Because if for me, our alignment of our energy is important to me. Yeah, me have to can vibe with you. Yeah. My thing is this, you know. If me have, you go say boom, 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 boom. We must look forward to still want your company when we're done. Yeah. And I must can around you. And it brings a peace and calm and centerness for me because me there around you. We don't even have to talk and whatever, but me just have that vibe there and whatever.
Yes.
Me lead with them something there. But they have them other people there. But you can't knock somebody face and them and lead with money, you know. If I they saw them, they saw them there. It must mean that them have low self-esteem. Sure. Right? And you know, everybody have them one reason why them stay them way, whatever. And some people just say, you have some woman, you have some woman, you know, them just go through so much in her life, you know, that them just reach a point where they must say, you know, right now, I don't even want pressure man, you know, for whatever, you know, I just don't want certain stress. I just want the man to just make sure, say, certain stress not there, and him, as long as him not put something on my face, or whatever, boom, boom, boom. Or another thing where the woman them say is like, just straight up with me and tell me all the things set with where all you roll. And make me decide if me ever juggle with you with it.
Yes.
Right? And then them woman they know if the man straight up with them, based on what them I get out of it, what them need and whatever. Then I say, all right, I go there, so I know what is what, and he might take care of so and so. And I work with it. And then I juggle with a man there. And it's not like the man I run them head, you know, it's that they don't even feel for go out there with our next man, even though him things set certain way, because what them want is a peace and comfort. Yeah. Them not necessarily want to be the richest person in the world and whatever. Them just not want to stress their bills and this, that, and this and that, and she have to work how much hours and come home and then have to do so and all them thing and whatever. So, you know, for some women, them say, no, you have to financially set a certain way for make me can relax. You see, if I can relax and was everything taken care of and whatever, me will give you some latitude for do what you want to do, you know. But I go too far with it, but you know, me work with you, you know. Ideally, with that one, you know, for myself or whatever, boom, boom. But even that again, alien, you know, I run the place out there now with enough woman.
Wow.
You know this thing I want them tell you about if you're there, if you live together, right? Yeah. Well, no, you see that's something that like traditionally, like if the two of them they want to live together, right? You know, it's increasingly a whole heap of woman now, alien. Them want to be in an exclusive relationship with a man, you know. Them don't want a whole heap of man, you know. Them want a one man, and but them don't want to live with a man.
Okay.
Well, in a Western society, America, Canada, Britain, and France, and that around the place right now, you know, with a lot of women, you know. Then
Because maybe they don't want to wash, cook, and clean.
Not only that can be part of it and thing, but it's more along women now are not, they're not locked into that paradigm for say, if them not live with man, something wrong with them, or you know, something whatever. Them not feel any kind of sanction or retribution and thing. Like women are more this word is used so much sometimes that whatever, but they're more independent in a way now where they can love a man and love him, you know, and take care of the man too and all them something there, but still want their own space. Yeah, woman, you know, a lot of women now, them just want them own space to do them own thing and whatever. And then him and film space and then meet when they want him can come over, she come over and whatever, you know, spend time. But people can't go to them own space. A lot of women, that's where they are right now. Right? Yeah.
Raga, one more thing. What you think about this song? Me not like it. So may I ask you to explain me see if me can like it. This song was say, you look better in the dark, lonely girl. You know that song there?
Yeah, it's homely girl. It's homely
girl. Yeah, what about it? Boy, you look better in the dark.
All right. She meaning she's not attractive.
Oh, so why you say you look better in the dark?
No. That is how everybody did a CR. And that is our, you know, that was our reality. But if you listen to the song, the song basically end up as say, yeah, you were the ugly duckling, but you turn out to be a beautiful swan, which is an analogy I don't agree with, because the ugly duckling is a black duck, and then the swan is this big, pretty white swan, and these subliminal conditionings and things. I am very careful with them. You know, I'm not gonna allow my children to whatever, and if they do it, I'm going to explain it to them what's going on. So I don't necessarily buy it, but I'm just telling you, you know, analogous to an analogy, you know, what it sounds like. So it's a homely girl. It's an American thing to say, if you don't look too good, you're homely. It's a African, yeah, that's what it means. It's a Black American thing, it's an African American thing, and so forth. So, but if you listen to the song, remember, you know, it must have broke your poor little heart when the boys used to say, you look better in the dark, right? But then what him say after that? Right? That at one point him say like, but somehow there is some, but him say it reach a point now where some of them boy are now, no, they want to be in the dark with you. So as I big the song, I big her up and I say, yeah, them used to done you and whatever, because them never see the beauty in your base by how you look. And now that you have blossomed and, you know, evolved into your into your beauty and into your purpose, and you should probably have glow now and thing, you know, because beauty does come from within, you know. You can't look good, you know, and you just come over ugly. You can't fall within the phenotype of what constitute good looking based on Western standards, and then still have a kind of energy and whatever that is just so attractive and infectious and think that everybody want to be a part of you, right? Because how you make people feel and type of thing, right? And so what I'm saying, wherever this girl is, according to the story time in the song, She evolved into something where the same people that moved that down and say she ugly and whatever, no, and them want to come itch up back her and whatever. So you can't really play that line there. You cannot look at that line in isolation. You have to look at it within the context of the entire song because it's talking about a journey, an evolution, right? And what society think about people and whatever and what constitute beauty. You understand? And then when, you know, whoever the person is in the cause the man I sing the song, you know, and basically I say, yo, you did have it long time, you know, but them did that this year and whatever, but remember, you know, the narrator, the author of the song, did see the beauty in her a long time, you know, and just the other people, them never see it, you know, the dirty boy, them, but she look better in her dark and thing, yeah.
Well, now you explain the song, me love it.
Yeah. Well, you never hear some woman to all I say sometimes them don't even want to clean up the man, you know, because once they clean up the man, him start hype and run gang get that man out there.
Yes.
You know, woman say that
and
all the while, right?
in a real life.
Yeah, it happened in a real life.
Man in your community come clean. You clean him up and carry him in your community, and the next girl from your community take away the man.
No. No woman can take away a man from a woman.
All right, him gone.
Him gone. All right,
Him
good.
gone.
Understand that. Him gone. And whatever, right? Yeah, that is it's very important that you understand. Even though me joke about them something in a real life, nobody can take away anybody from anybody. Unless they literally capture them and them want go.
Them want go, rather.
Because once you understand that, you know, then this whole thing about woman are going to fight other woman and whatever, it's nonsense. It's foolishness. Right? Your man gone over there, so with the other woman and whatever, this and that, and you have to fight that woman, then no. Yeah, you there? I him want go over there. You understand, right? So you need for, you know, people need to understand. Nobody can take away nobody from nobody. Right? If somebody go over there, them want go over there. Right? So it go. Right? Probably just don't have no body discipline.
That's
you
true,
know.
man.
Right?
And me one woman, them a talk about the little body and you know, say little body can do wonders, you know.
Women never explain that to me. Say some little bodies have
yeah, man.
In general, though, they do have their limitations and things. In general, because if you not feel nothing, you not feel nothing. But a lady once said to me that she and this man attack for a while and then she end up a game a run and then she said, when him goes to boom and she pop off, she's like, Jesus Christ, I don't want to do this. Like, what that I gonna do to me? But she said, because him nice and whatever, she go with it. Yeah. But she said, she called me Kingsley. She said, Kingsley, him body curve up so. So apparently him body curve up.
Yeah.
No two person is the same, them body, alien. No two person is the same. No two person is absolutely the same, not even twin. So it just so happened that where her G-spot is, or Grafenberg spot, or G-spot is, and you know the G-spot is really behind the clitoris. The clitoris is at the front, the G-spot is at the back, and that entire muscle that come from the front to the back and whatever. Total pleasure. But where fear G-spot is, and you know the G-spot is in and up, right? And two film body curve up. When film look body are going right pan her G-spot it a lick, you know. And then the wheel of fear thing set up. All of the other man them when she have a bigger body, for them body go down because our G-spot them more up as to the front, you know, like in and up, it them more to the front. So all of the other big body, she said she enjoy sex with them and it feel good and whatever. But she said this boy Clint in the name Clint. This is years ago. And she said, but Clint body just come up and she said she come. What? You understand? But you know, when them say Jamaica, every who have them tick a bush. It's just that some people.
Yes, my love.
It's just that some who wanna find them tick a bush. But you know, if you're juggling thing, it's out there. You can find your match and thing, you know.
Yes, my love.
Same thing. Anyway, big up yourself, you know, my friend.
Yes, my love. Every time.
All right. Love and blessings, man.
Yes,
I'm look
man.
forward
Good
to see you.
night, Mama.
All right, then, cool.
Right,
People
look forward to the food.
No, man. Sunday over Big Yard.
Man.
Sunday over Big Yard. All right, blessings,
All right,
man.
blessings.
Everybody do remember this Sunday, you know, we have the Big Yard Sunday dinner food fest, right? Big Yard Sunday Dinner Food Fest, right? Over tamfamyard.com, tamfamyard.com. You can register over there. It's free to register, right? You just register. It's like you go up on Facebook over there. tamfamyard.com, tamfamyard.com, tamfamyard.com. And what we're going to do this Sunday is just post a picture of your Sunday dinner where you cook. We're asking and on honor an honor system. We only post picture of food where you cook. Don't come in a lie, right? That's why we have to rate Big Bear. Because Big Bear show him food in a real time when him cook, right? You understand? So everybody wanna go and post on a Sunday dinner. Bruce, it says restricted because you have to join, or you have to join, but it's free. Okay? It's free, right? You just pick general free and you join. That's it. And you're in. Okay? Kimberly. Right? And then everyone going to post and thing, fly that go there and thing. And we'll just have a vibes and thing. And at some point, me and say I could go over TamFam, over Big Yard Theater and thing, and then we're going, we're going to see which one of the food them, the picture them and thing and whatever, and then we're going to go out with a look at thing, probably pick out like a top 10, and then feature them in a Big Yard Theater. But from 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock go down and thing, we don't just start posting a dinner picture them, man. And I'm just saying that because enough people cook early on Sunday, but if you cook late upon a Sunday, that's fine, right? So sometime around 5, 6 or so, we would just kind of open up a look live over Big Yard Theater. But before that, before the live, we're going to just over Big Yard. And when you go over there, you're going to see something say, inna the yard. Inna the yard is like the square over there, so everything come on, all right? Polly, I join and so. Paulie, just send it to me. It's a simple thing for fix. I join and subscribe and still get the restricted notification. Even when you try for log in, no man, that's a simple thing that for fix. Because you're in them. I see you're in them. You're a subscriber. You're a subscriber. All right. So anybody who have any little problem or log in or whatever, lock in that email there and just write me. Easy thing for fix. Admin at tamfambigyard.com. And the yard they spell Y-A-A-D. Right? And remember, TamFam Big Yard is one word, but the yard spell Y-A-A-D. Right? Admin at tamfambigyard.com. Admin at tamfambigyard.com. Anybody who have any little login issue or whatever, just write me this. And me a go answer it and thing and fix what we fix. Easy thing. And remember, this is not the way. You have people who subscribe and they will be entitled to access to the exclusive content that will come. And people just do it for support me and thing and whatever. All right. And people, you see the one Jimmy Q in the chat or whatever. I need him to do something for me, but me a close mark him, me a side eye him, because I'm really over this with the ANC people and whatever, right? He's a traitor. Jimmy Q, my little brother, and think. My little general brother, him and Chris Cross, my little brother, them proverbial brother, them and thing. But he's a traitor. He is as white people that say, he's a yellow belly rat. You white people, because buddy, you're a yellow belly rat. Yeah, right. So, man, you see me in that chat, side eye, but Jimmy, I need to talk to you because I have to start use back some of my live them I forgot use back TikTok studio. So then when I go over there and check it, Jimmy, it I say, oh, You got to do 3 lives before you can get this. I said, TikTok is just so annoying, man. You're back. But you got to do 3 more lives of 25 minutes minimum each before you can open that. TikTok is just so annoying. So I need back a little banner. I need a little thing and whatever, Jimmy. So we need your setup. Like graphics, we need some graphics from me and things, so we see how that goes. But again, people, make sure someone go over there and join right now. Everybody who are listening, if you're not join Big Yard, go join Big Yard right now. Go join Big Yard right now, all right? Join Big Yard right now. TamFamBigYard.com, TamFamBigYard.com, because we're going to see the food them this Sunday, and we're going to see who can cook and who can cook. You understand, right? And Christina, I go bring out fear juice, and she have to go bring her coffin with her, because she gonna need it. When she come, bring her coffin with her, and go sleep in her coffin like Abby from NCIS, yeah. Abby sleeping. If you're not an NCIS fan, you don't know what I say. But Abby sleep in a coffin. I'm going to send her and go sleep in a coffin like Abby. Okay. You understand? Now play with me. All right, let me take 2 more links and then before me. You see how no stay? You see if I went me there earlier and whatever, I no come up in my box, right? And now I'm ready for go do whatever this. 10 million I own in it and thing. Yeah? So Raga, go back to this song that Barbara Streisand sing. What is the name of the song? Left in the Dark. Left in the Dark. The most popular burning song what Jamaicans know is Secret Lovers, right? We're not only a burning song, but Secret Lover. Secret Lover. That's what we are. The biggest burning song that was Jamaicans, and a whole heap more. But I am telling you, and Jamaicans love the Barbara Streisand too, but I'm a dance song, I'm going to analyze about that song the phone tomorrow. I'm going to say like it's one of the greatest songs ever written. It just captured the anxiety, the contradictions, the confusions, the ironies, the different layers of affectations and emotions where people go through when born reach them, when a serious born reach them. There is no other song in the world that capture all the layers like that song. Whoever wrote that song, whoever write that song, they Left in the Dark, sung by Barbara Streisand, them can't tell me say one proper bun never reach them, one terrible bun reach them. You know them bun they make you find God and find Jesus. You know them bun they make you look within yourself and you wonder. You know them bun they make you mad at somebody at 1 minute and then the next point you want to commit suicide. And then the next point you look out in a space and thing and whatever. You know them bun they will make you draw down to nothing because no appetite not dead. You know them bun they will make you lay down in your bed and you look up in the ceiling and you're depend sorry for yourself, but why me? You know them bun them when you say like, can this feeling just go? I just want the feeling for going. I want the feeling for going. I'm not busy with them at time about one day at a time, want the feeling. And then you sit down and thing and then you know them bun where you get up and you grab the knife and when you stab him in that. You know them bun, yeah, them bun they will carry you through all kind of feeling, man, and whatever, No feel listen that song, them, man. But me I gonna explain it to you tomorrow when me explain it and thing and whatever. All I want to know that song they already for the never hear. When me explain it to them, I said, but oh, Raga pick out then they sit in there. I'm not hype, and I hype or show. I tell them, I tell them, so the song is just that good. Right? Jamaican Teddy Bear, Stealing Love on the Side. Like, yeah, that's a well-known song and thing, but it not really say nothing for, type of thing, whatever. You understand? Anyway, people, I'm going to leg right now, because Hello? Anyway, people, everybody who no join over Big Yard, go over there right now. TamFamYard.com, TamFamYard.com and join. TamFamYard.com and join. Again, I want to apologize to the people over YouTube and things, seeing about the WhatsApp thing with Floyd. I'm going to fix that, all right? Seeing? Fritz, big up. Deeks, large up. Munch British, big up. Yeah. Proper respect. All right, what you right? And if anyone want to, can like bring like Sunday, when can bring like you know, if you don't want, because we help each other over here, and you know, one thing with TamFam is we care about one another. So for those of you people who have that empathy, you know, and this care, when I may want to bring like some prayer, a prayer for Christina, bring like a prayer for her and thing or whatever, for kind of uplift her after I don't slaughter that and massacre that, you know, with my jokes and thing. You know? I'm just saying, okay? Yeah. Hello? We hear you there, no, you're just not answering. We hear you there. Nedley. All right. People are Lego right there now, see? Hey man, big up on yourself and thing, and I don't know, so tomorrow night we juggle again, and tomorrow Thursday. Tomorrow we're going to run the broadcast over Big Yard too. So while we are doing the live, yeah, so we're going to run the broadcast over Big Yard too, all right? Okay? Okay. Now I have to leave now, I have to leave. And things to do. In our Morris people, all right? Blessings and respect. Michelle, big up yourself, man. Large up and things. Seeing Fritz, large up, you know. YouTube family, respect and honor. Well, let me take a look over Big Yard and thing. Yes, Jimmy, I have to use the TikTok studio because sometimes I want to go over Big Yard and just, let me see, Tash, big up. What? Tash 69, I probably a year they are born and thing, right? So we're not reading into the 69. All right, Tash. Tash, I'll be a trouble make over, you know, feeling over here, yeah? All right. Hey, Mr. Liquid just a go on with himself over Big Yard, you see? He want Liquid just a go on with himself. A beer things in general depend, you know. And beer something the general depend, man. Well, I tell you, Liquid just a kill them with picture over there. Kill them with picture over there. Beer picture. Alright. Sharon Goodaz, big up yourself, man. Blessings and thing. All right, people in our Mars, you know, everything is everything. All right, Cheryl, don't worry yourself, man. I see it, man. All right, Nikki with the restaurant Curry Goat. Big up yourself, yeah? Love her, girl. Don't know. Goldie. Goldie P7.